So good afternoon, everyone. Yes, Sanjay, Kumud, Krishna.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, sir.
and welcome to the second day of Vedic mathematics, the magic of Vedic mathematics. Very first question: were you able to do the homework? Yes, Sanjay, Kumud, homework
Yes, sir. Yes.
submit नहीं किया, either in the workbook or WhatsApp. Yes, Krishna. What about you?
Not done all, sir.
Why was it tough?
No, sir.
Then
I
how
will
do you
complete it.
practice after 4, 5 days, 6 days? You'll forget what you did. But if you'll do it once, you'll never forget in your life. It was so simple. 11 was very simple, and similarly, we just have to understand the pattern.
Yes.
Please understand, maths is nothing but patterns. So we need to understand that pattern. That is sufficient. Got it?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anything you do in life. Okay. So moving ahead. So again, a heartful gratitude to all of you. I would again say pat yourself, congratulate yourself, because this is the second day and the second step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Right, being Sunday, I can understand Nepal, it's a working day. Saturday it was holiday, and India we generally get up very late and on Sunday. So people will join after 15-20 minutes. No issue. So very first thing, what are the opportunities? Now, yesterday we learned why should we do Vedic mathematics? Why should students or us learn Vedic mathematics? And we understood the academic part, how it is beneficial to us. Very first was it reduces time. Our speed gets increased from 10 to 15 times. Second point was it removes the burden of tables. You just have to remember tables up till 8. Third was it reduces scratch work, the rough work we generally use, and even finger counting. Fourth was it enhances concentration level. And last but not the least, it reduces silly mistakes. Now, it's not that we have only 5 advantages. We have number of advantages, like I said, as per the definition only, as per the main feature of Vedic mathematics. It is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. So this is also an advantage. Second thing, you attain a feeling, yes, I can. So that is basically enhancing your confidence. Again, another advantage. Third, it gives you ability to think. Now, ability to think. Good afternoon, Upasna.
Good afternoon, sir. Sorry, sir, I am a bit late.
No issues. Have you done the homework?
Yes, sir.
Not submitted, neither in WhatsApp nor in the Facebook group. Have you submitted?
No, sir, but I did.
Okay, you should share it. If not on Facebook possible, you can share me on WhatsApp so that I can check at least. Right. And the last was ability to think, critical thinking. So these were also advantages. So yesterday what we learned was advantages of Vedic mathematics as per academically, which we use. But now today we'll talk about business opportunities, the financial opportunities, because this is also what we are looking for. Why at this stage of life, when we are settled, when we are doing one work, all of you are already settled, you are doing your business, you are doing your job or any profession. So why to enhance or why learning one skill if we are not getting anything extra? Got it. So today we'll work on business opportunities. So very first thing, or the financial opportunities. Very first, you can start Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. Now, why is it possible? Because we don't need any infrastructure, anything for this. Only a few books and your knowledge is sufficient. You don't need any tools, you don't need any assets, you don't need any furniture big. So right from your home, you can start these classes. And who are the students? Definitely, as I told you, as you already are aware of, maths students, they are already looking for maths tuitions. And the parents are worried that how this fear of maths or how this maths can be improved. So Vedic maths is one of the best tool to improve the mathematics, and thus you can start right from your home. If you're financially viable, you have infrastructure. So one can also go for starting a training institution. Like we have computer institutes, like we have abacus institutes, like we have other activity institutes. Same Vedic mathematics institutes can be started. Now here, either you alone or you can hire some teachers and you can provide. One is school level trainings, second is competitive examinations trainings, and the third is teachers training. So all the three articles could be catered. And again, in school level training, it is right from class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and even students of 11th and 12th also generally come. But the most of the parents from class 3rd, 4th, 5th, this is when you start your classes, you will observe that 85% of parents are those who have kids from class 3rd, 4th, 5th, and rest is others. And for teacher training, definitely mothers are there or the professionals are there. Correct. Now you say, I don't have space at my home, I cannot start with a business training institution. Is there still an opportunity? Yes, home tuitions. After this corona, people are there who want their kids to be taught at their place. If you are on social media, generally such posts are available. They are looking for teachers at their place. Urban Pro, if you check that, so many parents are looking for the same. So mostly in the metro cities, but yes, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and this Pune, most of the parents, they want that their kids should not go out, teachers should rather come. So this can also be taken as a opportunity. As I told you earlier, now these all three are freelancer activities, which you can start anytime from anywhere. And if you are online, then there is no limit to the admissions also, location also, everything is possible. Now, coming to the jobs, most of us have this feeling in mind, will I get a job after this? Yes, jobs are available. If you have observed, every state government is working on it. Delhi state government released a notification around 5 days back. They are looking for, they want to start this project to teach all the government school teachers. So they are hiring teachers for this. And it was, even I saw this post in the morning. Somebody, Piyush, person name, I don't remember the full name, but if you want, I would search. So he again quoted the same thing. They are looking for teachers to train the government school teachers of Delhi for Vedic mathematics and abacus. Haryana, as I told you already, we are training government school teachers. So ultimately, why these teachers are trained? One is the same would be employed as a Vedic maths trainer, and other private schools, they are looking for new teachers. Anyone from Bangalore? So Bangalore, I have one job opportunity right now also. One school, that is Abhyas Techno School, that is looking for a teacher. He approached me yesterday. So like this, every private institution, every big institution, they are looking for the teachers because nobody wants that it should be given outside or their students should go outside and learn because that is more economically safe for them, right? And the last but not the least, if you're already running some kind of institution, you are running a computer institute, you are running a competitive academy, or you are running a Bacchus institute. So this Vedic mathematics can be added as an additional component in your existing professional because you're not investing anything extra as an asset, as a infrastructure, as anything. The same premises, the same advertisement, everything is the same. Only one teacher extra, and you start with a new business and more profitable, right? Because when we start with some business online or offline, online, yes, there is no investment, but offline there is always an investment. Correct. But so when you're starting with Vedic maths, you don't need any investment. So that is one of the best part of it. Right. Online, I'll discuss. Yesterday, I asked something, so we'll discuss on that because the focus today would be on online training, how you can start with online training. Offline, definitely you can do along with it, but online will always give you better results because you're spending less. Offline, you are always spending more. Just one pamphlet, if you have to design, that means you have to give 10,000 to 16,000, and then to distribute it, you need money. But if you advertise through Facebook, it takes 82 rupees, 83 rupees a day. Now it depends on your financial abilities, how much you can spend. Yes, any question you have? Krishna, Sanjay, Kumud, Upasna? Okay. So, homework. Yes, Krishna could have not done, Upasna done, Kumud done, Sanjay done. Okay. Second was, I asked about Facebook page. How many of you have Facebook page? Yes, Sanjay. So Sagar was asking me this thing in the morning and now he's late. Yes, Kumud. So do you have Facebook pages or profiles? Upasna, you don't have Facebook also. Can I ask you a reason, maybe personal reasons you have not kept Facebook page? But see, today, if you want to enter into online business, if you want to earn online, you need this because it is the cheapest mode. I'll give you one example. 3 years back, when Reliance Mobile started their Geo phones, people were reluctant in taking, but those who took the SIM in the initial days, they utilized it to the most because all the calls were free, everything was free. Now, same is the case with Facebook. Today, it is free, but a day will come when everything would be paid, and at that time, we'll realize if we would have started that earlier. People who started with YouTube campaigns 3 years, 4 years back, or before Corona and during Corona, they earned a lot because they were the first to join us. Now, if you say you have to work hard, yes, Kumud, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you have a Facebook page or a profile?
Yes, sir. Facebook page है.
Anna.
Okay.
So I'll give you the difference how it works. See, why did I ask for Facebook profile or a page, and certain people have a complaint that we don't get more leads. Krishna, are you using Facebook?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever advertised for some business or some classes, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay, so you have not. Yes, Upasna, you don't have it. Now see, Facebook has three things. One is profile, one is page, and another is group. Now, profile means your friends, where friends like. Now there is an advanced mode of profile, so it always also comes as followers. But you cannot exceed more than 5,000 friends. So if you have 5,000 friends, you cannot add more. Very first thing. Page is a professional identity. For example, like you don't want to start your business from your home and you need an office, because at office there is a different culture. There is where people walk in and inquire about your business. Similarly, Facebook page is an identity where your location is there, your timings are there, job profiles are there, and everything related as you have in offline office, same thing. And here you get likes and followers again. Now, third is group. What group is? Group is kind of a society, a committee where different people can come and view also, as well as share their posts also, right? So it is a sharing dais, you can say, or sharing place. Now, when we say that we are not getting leads, we are not getting more inquiries. Yes, Kumud, because you are one who is using page also. So have you any time experienced
No.
this thing? That yes,
Sir, I have no page, group and profile.
have to page.
No, sir.
Okay, so that means you might have faced this problem that you are not getting more inquiries through Facebook.
Yeah, sir.
Now, see, in profile you have only friends. So the thing,
Yes.
whatever you are posting, that is maximum going to your friends. Now tell me one
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Are you interested in your friend's business? No. How
No,
many
sir.
times you would? So same as with you.
Yes.
Why will your friends be attracted or will like your business every day?
Yes.
And Facebook or social media mean consistency. You have to post every day. Have you seen my page?
Yeah.
Every day 3 posts and 2 to 3 posts, and every post, then first 60 seconds I get 3 to 4 likes. Yesterday night I completed 1200k followers. So 12,000 plus followers. Now what happens? Page is where different people, or your page is going to people who are not directly associated to you. For example, you or Upasna or Krishna, they approach through page, not profile, because profile they are not linked to me. Now,
Yes, sir.
how it happens? Like we are not interested in our friends' business. Friends are not interested in our business. But yes,
Yes,
when we share our personal picture, any visit, any party, any celebration, then definitely we get 70 to 80 likes. But the moment you post regarding your business, you don't get even 1 or 2 likes. I have seen every day. This is a problem which people are facing. But when you post it on your page, that goes to different people, people who have same liking. Now, what do you mean by same liking? For example, if I'm posting about Vedic mathematics and you are searching for Vedic maths every day, so you will see my page. That is the algorithm. So your search for Vedic maths will lead to my page. Got the point? But your profile has nothing like this. Profile is only when we are connected to each other.
Right, sir.
So this is the reason why we don't get the leads. So business, if we want, but how it is beneficial. I just gave you an example. A single pamphlet, 1-page pamphlet. It takes minimum, if you print 16,000, minimum rate is 10 to 14,000. Then distribution, and then is that going to the right person? Because the pamphlet is going to a tea stall also, a barber stall also, as a person who is aged, who don't have kids. So this is a big question in offline advertisements. And if you are aware about the fact, nowadays newspapers are into loss and they are reducing their staff because they are not getting advertisements. I'll give you one simple example. In 2000, I used to spend around 8 lakhs a year for advertisement in a local one city. One city. And today, 2023, 25 years later, when we say महंगाई हो गई है, I am able to cater whole country with 83 rupees a day also. So 83 rupees a day means, or let it be 100 roughly. So 3,000 per month. Per year कितना हुआ? Just 36,000. Compare it with 8 lakhs in one city. And so this is the minimum you can. Yes, you can. I can spend also 10 times of it. And the best part is now I am able to reach the person I want. If I am looking for only parents, my ad will go to only parents. If I am looking for only teachers, my ad will be going to only teachers. Now certain ads where we target schools, so my ad is going to only schools. That's all. How important this is. We are not realizing this fact because it is free of cost today. And believe me, I am giving you again and again the same thing. The day it will be, they'll start paid, you all will say, oh, I should have started earlier. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, like earlier, now, because why I'm saying they are going to start very soon, because earlier blue tick, if you understand what is blue tick in this, even Twitter, Facebook, it was based on your position in the market, based on your profile. But now that is also a paid service. So people are taking that. They are paying 2,000 or 3,000 per month and taking, because blue tick means you are more reliable. Right. So that is how things work. Okay. So coming, yes, Krishna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any question you have?
No, sir.
Upasna,
Yes, sir.
any questions?
No, sir. It's clear.
Just listen to him. If voice is not audible, I'll repeat it. Don't worry.
No, sir. Voice is not audible.
Okay. So he is Mr. I'll stop. Just see the date, 23rd, 4/21. Just tell you. He is Mr. Syed Hussain from Nigeria. Yesterday I told you, a maths teacher. And see, now he is not doing. See, when he was a math teacher, he was getting that salary only. When he learned Vedic mathematics, again the salary is same in the school. But what difference has come is now students have more faith, more belief, more confidence, and that is they have more respect for this teacher. What is the financial gain? No salary increase, but after school tuitions. Because now every student, not even his class, every other student wants to learn new techniques, what he has been teaching in one class. What are those concepts? The concepts which he learned from me of Vedic mathematics. See, South Africa has no relation, no directly physical contact with India. It's so far away. But just his aspiration to gain knowledge, just his willpower, and he learned this. Today, he is one of the best teacher of mathematics. Vedic maths, I'm not adding the word because there people are unaware. Second, I told you, yes, I'm the most viewed writer in the world. This is last year's, I think. If you see today's also, I have now here it was 50 answers. I have answered more than 181 questions directly for this page and other. Why people are reaching, how people are reaching to you. See, have this in your mind. If you'll support 2 students, 2 more will come. If you'll guide 2 and guide with a positive attitude, think I'm just removing the fear of maths from that child. That happiness, that smile on the face of 1 student, it will attract 4 others. And that is the reason why I am on the top today. The person who started just 2-3 years back, and people who are into this field from last 20 years, 16 years, 18 years, you can see the names. They are very senior to me. And they generally call me and ask me the same question. Sir, you just joined, and how is it possible? Because you have that feeling in your mind that yes, I have to remove the fear of me. Paisa aayega, money will flow in. See, I'll give you very clear, I'll explain you. Just offering free course will not attract business to you. Business will come when you do it systematically. When you understand the other's problem and solve it accordingly. Similarly, she's a girl, Priyadarshini Bora. And these all are the students whom I taught during Corona time. So Priyadarshini was in 8th standard that time, 8th, 9th. And she attained the certification as a youngest trainer of Vedic mathematics and international trainer of Vedic maths. So what she gained, she gained that confidence that she was teaching her batchmates as well as seniors 10th class. Got it? A girl of class 8 that time, if she can do, a person, a teacher from South Africa who has no direct link with India or Vedic mathematics, he can do. I can do. Why not you? Is it difficult? Whatever we learned yesterday, was it difficult? No.
No.
But it could bring a positive change in every student life. And I asked you, I gave you a very clear picture. Ask anybody you meet. Same one question, 89 table and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. People would find it difficult to answer. So if they can do it, why not we? Got it? So let's start with the calculations. So the first topic is finding squares of 2-digit numbers. Yes, Krishna, please switch on your camera. Okay. So what is a square of a number? Yes, Upasna, what is a square of a number?
It's a multiplication of the same number.
Very good. When a number is multiplied by itself, so how it is written? If n is a number, it is written as n raised to the power 2. And what is that? N into n, where n could be any number. So let's say if it is 1 square, now the answer becomes 1 into 1 is equal to
1 is equal to 1.
1. If it is 2, so 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So very first thing is, now we need to remember this table of 1 to 10. So let's write. Everybody has to write it in their notebooks because this is most important. Why? Not only this will help you for these numbers, but further bigger squares for which we'll calculate today. So what is square of 1? 1. What is square of 2? 4.
4.
What is square of 3? 9.
9.
Square of 4?
16.
16. So 4 into 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 5 into 5 is
25.
25. Square of 6?
36.
7, 49.
49.
8,
64.
64, 81 and
100.
now this table, it is very important. You'll say, okay, sir, we'll be able to find squares of bigger numbers. Correct. This is one advantage of this table. But yesterday I was discussing on cube roots, if you remember. Same. Square roots. That is also possible with this table only. Now, square roots, if we have to find, we need to make factors. But in the classroom, in the exam hall, it's very difficult. Because you cannot think. I'll give you today examples regarding that. So this table, you should always remember square of 1 to 10. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Upasna, written?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So let's move further. Now, so first we will do squares of 2-digit numbers. So let's say the first number is 28. How do we find it? Yes, Krishna. Upasna, Sanjay, Kumud, how do we find square of
28. 28 into 28 school method and Vedic method से आप सिखाएंगे और Backus method I know.
कोई नहीं, अभी तक हमें वही पता है. That, see,
Yes, sir.
Right. So we just need to understand that only, ki what we know.
Yes.
And what will. Yes, Krishna, any other you know?
No, sir.
So generally what we do like this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It's not that it is difficult, but yesterday there was a fifth point, silly mistakes because of multiple carryovers and borrows. So that is the problem. Every time you'll get a carryover. 8 into 8 is 64. 6. 8 to the 16 and 6. 22. Then 0. 2 8 is 16. So again 6 and 1. Now here sometimes there is a mistake with the kids. Correct. Like now how to do Vedic maths method? We just did a table. So what is square of 2?
4.
So make a habit that whenever you multiply any number, any single digit number, write the answer in 2
0
digits.
4. 0 4.
0 4. What is square of
Yes.
8?
64.
So this is your first step. Clear, Krishna?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Upasna?
Yes, sir.
Now, second step is we are seeing 3 numbers here. Now, this is like A, B, square. A is 2, B is 8, and square. We have to multiply all these numbers. That means we have to find 2AB. So that is 2 into 8 into 2. What does it means? 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32.
32.
Now, I will not write anything here. First space is always left. So I will start from the next number, 32, and add it. So this becomes 7, 8. Yes. Upasna, did you understand? Kumud?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more example. Upasna, answer नहीं दोगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा you understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
36. Here. So 3 square is 09. 6 square is 36. And 3 into 6 is 18. 18 into 2 is again 36. So 1, 2,
1296.
6. Now see how many steps are reduced. And more important is, see, I'll tell you one thing. Now maths, you all know maths. You know why you are struggling? Because we don't even try to remember small things. Small things kaise? Like first 10 numbers, you could easily remember. Single digit addition, you could easily remember, but we just have the habit of now ignoring things. Same is with the students. So if they remember this small, so in Vedic maths, this is a very good advantage that you start verbal teaching or learning. So every small calculations you are doing mentally. Correct. One more example. 47. So 4 square is 16. 7 square 49.
49.
7 fours are 28. 28
28.
twos are 56.
56.
9 0 2 2.
2209.
See how calculations are being reduced. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then find out 75 square.
Three 3525.
Wrong. Yes. Upasna.
5625. 5625, sir.
6 to
5625.
Perfect. Krishna.
Yes, sir. Done. 5625.
What is the answer?
5625.
So what is the answer of 67 square?
6.
Fast.
Four 4489.
4489. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Upasna.
4489.
Okay. What is the answer for 31 square?
961. 0961.
961.
961. Now here it was a problem because here it was
0901.
01. See, generally
Yes.
what we do, this is the reason why I said always write, because here it can be ignored, but here you cannot. If you would have written the 9 1, so answer would have been how? Correct. So that was the reason I said always multiply. When you multiply two single digit numbers, write the answer in 2 digits. So that was the concern. Got it? Okay, 44 square. 44 square.
1996.
1936.
1936.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 63 square.
So 3969.
3969.
कृष्णा आपकी नहीं आवाज आ रही.
3969, sir.
49 square.
One, no.
401. 2401.
2401.
2401.
Correct? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Perfect.
No.
Okay. 54 square.
2916.
2916.
Great. 93 square.
8649.
8649. Correct? Yes. Krishna, you got it? Kumud, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Upasna, are you not feeling that you are able to do math so fast? Yes, Upasna?
Yes, sir.
Maths, are you able to do maths much faster?
Sir, you are not audible. Like
I'm saying,
sound is crackling.
कुमुद आपके वहां नेटवर्क वो अब देखो. I said, are you not finding maths more easy?
Yes, sir.
कुमुद आपका या तो कोई स्पीकर ऑन है, that's why there is a disturbance, or you are wherever you are sitting, there is a wind going on or something like that. Air.
सर अब सर हो गया, अब तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं,
एक्चुअली सर स्पीकर की वजह से हो रहा था.
मैंने बोला ना. कोई बात. Okay. 99, the 2-digit number. 99 square is
8343.
how can you have 8343?
Nine 9801.
Yes. Upasna? 81.
81 and 81. 981 2 जा.
162.
यस सर, गलत जगह पर ऐड कर दिया था, लास्ट डिजिट से कर दिया था. सॉरी.
कोई बात नहीं, उसकी अभी प्रॉब्लम,
97. यस.
अभी वो प्रॉब्लम हटा दूंगा मैं.
हाँ जी सर.
Up till here, any doubt from numbers 11 to 99?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, before moving ahead, you were facing one problem like 0. See, same thing can be done. Now, this we did vertically. What we were doing? You were doing a square, b square, and 2ab. Correct? Now, the same thing can be done using your balancing lines. A square, 2ab, b square. For example, 41 square. So 16. A is 4. Now this is a
Into 1
difference.
into 2.
I'll tell you, this is a difference.
Yes.
जब आप सागर see, when you do this question in normal mathematics, so it is taught like this: 40 plus 1 square. So they teach you a square plus b square plus 2ab, and they write it. AB is 1600, b square is 1, and this is 80. And you say answer is 1681. Now, same thing when we are doing with Vedic maths, the best part is we mark this as A only, this only as B. So the only format like we did just now, if I have to write in this way, so A square is 16, 2AB is 8, and B square is, now here you
1.
can write 0, 1 also, or 1. Both the case, it is correct. See, answer is 1681 directly. If you write 0, 1, then also this goes here, then also it is correct.
Balancing. Yes, sir.
जो आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी कि फर्स्ट स्टेप पे नहीं लिखा, एडिशन गलत कर दिया. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग सॉल्विंग दिस वे यूजिंग बैलेंसिंग लाइन, वो गलती भी खत्म हो जाएगी. It will be automatically resolved even if you forget this. You take any example. Try with 43 here. Sagar, you are already 43 minutes late. How can we repeat everything now?
1969.
Sorry, sir.
यही तो मॉर्निंग में बात हो रहा था. देखो, डेडिकेशन आपकी चाहिए.
Yes.
वीडियो से तो होगा नहीं, फिर आगे कभी आगे आगे दोबारा फिर मन बनेगा. आई वॉज टेलिंग yesterday also, हर न्यू ईयर हम प्लान करते हैं, ये स्टार्ट करेंगे, वो स्टार्ट करेंगे, रेजोल्यूशंस बनाते हैं. बट रिमेंबर ऑलवेज, विद एवरी पॉजिटिव थॉट यू हैव अ डाउट. जब भी लाइफ में आपने कोई रेजोल्यूशन बनाया होगा, एनी पॉजिटिव थिंग यू थॉट, देयर वाज ऑलवेज अ डाउट विद दैट. करें ना करें, करेंगे तो क्या होगा, नहीं करें तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस. सो व्हेन यू गेट अ चांस, डोंट लूज इट. राइट, वीडियोस तो अवेलेबल वैसे भी थे. ये workshop is paid only if you are attending it, otherwise it is free. You can see it from the YouTube. But वो 3 घंटे आप नहीं बैठ सकते. कल देखो 3 घंटे you were sitting there. Yes, Kumud, can a student
Yes, sir.
sit for 3 hours otherwise?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
क्लास में नहीं बैठते ना.
Yes. Yes.
And
बिल्कुल.
that I challenge, even when I take a sessions in schools, for 3 hours the student is sitting, because you have to give them something which they want. But okay, 57, so okay, 56 square karo with using this balancing line only. So
3136.
3136.
this is the formula how we are doing this. This is the second method.
Yeah. 25,
60
60,
and
and
36.
36.
So this
Balancing
goes here 6, 3,
3.
31.
Yes.
3136.
See, yesterday also I told you the best thing is you get the answers in with you. Otherwise, carryovers. Then the student is always confused. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So coming to, if it is 99 square now,
So ये हो गया.
नहीं इसमें करो ना, देखो फर्क क्या आया.
One to one.
Yes, Sagar?
1
Krishna?
to 1, sir.
1 to 1.
99. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
980.
2 minutes, sir.
So it is 81, 162, 81.
81.
So this becomes 1. This is 170 means 0. 17 goes further, so 98.
9801.
Correct?
980. Yes.
Any doubt between numbers 11 to 99 now?
No, sir.
Chalo, let's move. So this concept is basically for 2-digit numbers only, but we can use it for 3 also. Let's start. I'm giving you one question. 1, 0. Can you solve this?
Same method, sir. 100, 10 का square 100 and 2 का square 0 4 like that.
वो तो फिर मैथ्स, फिर तो 100 का मतलब आ गया 10,000 लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
तो हमने तो फिर तो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कैलकुलेशन आ गई. यही आप कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
तो ये तो नॉर्मल, ये तो आपने ये किया ना 100 प्लस 2 स्क्वायर. तो हमने 100 स्क्वायर का 10,000 ले लिया, प्लस 2 स्क्वायर का 4. 2 into 100, 200 into 2. So we said 10404. ये सिंपल नंबर था. This is not what we are. See, अभी हम क्या कर रहे थे इतनी देर से? You can take this as A, this as B. Balancing line use करो. So A square is 100. 2 into 2 is 4 into 40.
So वही तो कहा, sir. 10 का square plus 2 का square. Yes.
अच्छा मैं सुना. So this becomes 10404.
10404 is right.
Now, if this you have done, Yes, this is done. Krishna?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
a question. Now one question. आपने नहीं पूछा, मैं पूछ लेता हूं. मैंने बोला a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2, correct? And I solved it. Right?
Yeah.
But एक स्टूडेंट शरारती है, वो कहता है why not a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, 2. Is it possible? Why?
Yes.
Who told you to take 10 only? Why not 1? Is it possible?
वन स्टैंड पोजीशन के हिसाब से लेंगे ना.
ये आप बताओ पहले, फिर मैं बताता हूँ.
क्या एबीसी भी ले सकते हैं सर?
ABC स्क्वायर क्या फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे इतना लंबा?
हाँ.
कंफ्यूज करें बच्चों को. मैंने अभी ABC सिखाया भी नहीं. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग A को मैंने 10 लिया, B को 2 लिया, तो मैंने कर दिया. अब एक बच्चा खड़ा होके कहेगा कि यस, why A 10, why not A is equal to 1?
Yes, b is equal to 0,
So
2.
is it correct or not? Is it possible or not?
No sir, wrong answer आएगा.
Yes, Upasna?
So the answer will not come.
How can you conclude? Did you try?
Yes sir, 1 का square 1 and 0.
1 square is 1.
Okay. Yes, Sagar, Krishna.
नहीं सर, नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि 0 यदि अपन 1
No
के
idea.
बाद में लगाते हैं या फिर मतलब जब उसकी 10 वैल्यू होती है तो उसका स्क्वायर 100 आ जाता है, लेकिन जब अपन 2 के पहले 0 लगाएंगे तो कैसे हो, डबल 0 कैसे आएगा?
अच्छा चलो, ये क्वेश्चन को ये
No
कर
sir,
देते
the answer is same.
ये इसको ये कर देते हैं. A is equal to 12, B is equal to 2. ये तो हमने सीख लिया.
यस सर.
A is equal to 1, B is equal to 22. अब हो जाएगा.
अब हो सकता है.
तो फिर यहाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? प्रॉब्लम
1 का स्क्वायर तो 1 आएगा सर, लेकिन 0 का स्क्वायर डबल 0 कैसे फिर उड़ा है?
सागर, इसीलिए ऑनलाइन
बोलो सर.
क्लास का, इसीलिए लाइव क्लास होती है, सो दैट यू आस्क योर डाउट्स, यू आस्क योर क्वेरीज. हर इंसान को. यस, उपासना कुछ बोली थी पॉजिटिव. यस उपासना.
नहीं sir, ठीक है.
क्या?
I was talking about that 102 square.
नो, आई विल टेल यू. अब ध्यान दो. A is equal to 1, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. ये तो फिनिश हो गया 100 A स्क्वायर की जगह. 2AB में 40 आ गया और इसमें 4 आ गया B स्क्वायर में, और ये यहां भेजा 10404 हो गया. क्लियर?
Yes sir.
यस.
इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं था आप लोगों को. If I say A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 2, please understand. Don't take it कि it is 0. 0 is also a number. क्या पता 0 की बजाय 1 होता, 12 नंबर होता, 22 होता, 92 होता. So don't say सागर की 0 का क्या करेंगे. 0 is also a number and without 0 so many calculations are wrong. जैसे मैंने अभी एक एग्जांपल दिया था 31 स्क्वायर. Now generally we
961.
say square of 1 is 1, but no, it has to be written 0, 1, otherwise वो 91 आंसर आ जाता. करेक्ट? नाउ सी, कल तक हमने एक चीज सीखी. At every position you can have only one digit. Yes, we were talking this only. कुमुद, यही था बैलेंसिंग लाइन का कंसेप्ट, यही रखा था.
Yes, sir.
नया चैप्टर सीखो। अगर मैंने खुद ही इसको सिंगल डिजिट था, दिस वाज सिंगल डिजिट p, तभी तो वो at every position we were having only single digits. Now a square is 1, b 2ab is 0 4. I have to, and here also I have to write 0 4. Why? Because my unit place I have defined it in a 2 digit. This is your answer. 10404. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं। 1 2 1 square. First case, a is equal to 12, b is equal to 1. So 144, 24 and 1. So this goes here, it becomes 1 4 6 4 1. Correct. Agar if a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 21, so this is 1, 21 into 2 is 42, and b square is
Again 42.
not for 42 नहीं, 21 square 441 होता है।
हाँ जी।
तो अब दो सिर्फ डिजिट अलाउड है, क्योंकि 2 डिजिट का है आपका यूनिट, तो एक डिजिट ये एक्स्ट्रा चला गया। 14641 इज द आंसर।
सर ये सेकंड मेथड जो आपने बताया प्लीज फिर से एक्सप्लेन कीजिए।
अभी करो, ये लो। लेट्स से 1 1 2। करेक्ट, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन।
यस सर।
इफ a is equal to 11 and b is equal to 2, ये तो आपने कर लिया।
यस
करेक्ट। अब मैं कह रहा हूं a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 12. See, I first understand the difference. Here, unit place digit is single digit. What I am doing, a का मतलब मैं इसको यूनिट मान के चल रहा हूं और ये फर्दर मान रहा हूं। So unit place is single digit. That means everywhere I'll have only one digit. Here I am defining unit place as 2 digit numbers. अपने आप में उसको फिक्स कर रहा हूं। So if I am fixing it, that means a square is 1. What is this? 12 square, 12 into 2, 24. And what is 12 square?
12 का स्क्वायर 144।
तो अब क्या है, 2 डिजिट तो आने ही है, यहाँ एक एक्स्ट्रा आ गया, उसको इधर भेज दिया। 1 2 5 4 4। यहाँ कैसे सॉल्व होता है ये? यहाँ होता 121 44 and 4
4।
So 1 2 5 4 4. देखो, now you learn. This is called as ability to think. See, in maths we had only one way. एक दूसरे के नीचे multiply कर दो. Now why I taught you this today? Because अगर ये 4 डिजिट का नंबर दे दूं मैं आपको, so what you will do, सागर? आप करेंगे 1 1 2 का स्क्वायर और 2 का स्क्वायर? नो, तो आप अलग अलग कर लो ना, 11 और 22, कुछ इजी हो जाएगा, मेंटल हो जाएगा। Now is it clear?
यस सर।
Yes, उपासना,
Sir.
कृष्णा, सागर,
Yes, sir.
सागर, सागर। Okay, चलो, so find out 109 square by both techniques. When unit place is single digit or unit place is double digit.
तो 11881।
चेक कर लो। 1
881.
1
कृष्णा, सागर,
Yes, sir.
प्रेम,
Yes, sir. 11881.
अब के क्या किया? A is equal to 10 किया और B 9, या A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0 9?
So the first
No, sir,
one.
first one.
बोथ करो ताकि आना चाहिए.
A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 1. 1
0
plus
9.
1.
So that
Sorry,
means
0 9.
yes,
Yes.
that two digits would be
9,
allowed. आपके
18.
लिए और इजी हो जाएगा.
1.
एक कारण और देता हूँ, ये देखो.
हाँ सर सेम 1 1
Sir,
8.
same answer आ ही गया. Sir आ गया 1 1 8 8 1.
अच्छा देखो ये
Very simple. No adding.
ऑब्जर्व दिस क्वेश्चन.
Yes.
अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चन आपको देता हूँ और आप A71 लेते हो तो इट इज मोर डिफिकल्ट.
Yes.
तो उस केस में क्या करोगे आप? A7 ले लो, B is equal to 12 ले लो, आपको इजी हो गया क्योंकि B का 12 तो आपको पता है. Got it?
Yes sir.
फाइंड आउट. सेकंड मेथड से ही करो इसको, फर्स्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट के लिए आपको रफ वर्क यूज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज
So 492 49544 is answer.
49
492
712
544. 492 544.
डिजिट्स को बैलेंस करो ना.
अच्छा हाँ सर, डिजिट
वो-
बैलेंस नहीं किया.
दो डिजिट्स रहेंगे.
First one is 44. 4 plus 1
Sir,
5 9
is it
11. 61544.
44 कैसे? 7 स्क्वायर इज
49.
49.
फिर 44 कैसे?
Sir, is it 506944?
वेरी गुड,
506944.
वेरी गुड.
5069.
बट दिस मेथड लूजेस इट इंपॉर्टेंस. सी मैंने कहा ना, Vedic math you have different methods. So this is one of the technique for those who want for 2-digit numbers, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit. There are like if I ask you to find this, now this is very difficult for you because चाहे 36 ले लो चाहे 69, स्क्वायर तो निकालना पड़ेगा दोनों का. So just observe कि you will take more than 2 minutes for this, and after 15-20 minutes I'll give you a concept जिसमें ये भी 10 seconds में हो जाएगा. But right now find 369 with either A method or B method, B technique. Let's see. Find the answer. पहले टफ कराऊं, आपको एक बार टफ समझ आना चाहिए कि yes this is the problem you are facing. 2 digits देखो आप easily solve कर गए, 3 में अब दिक्कत आनी शुरू हुई. सागर are you there?
Yes sir, yes.
करो solve.
इसको पहले मेथड से करेंगे सर, मतलब एक
पहले से कर लो, जैसे मर्जी कर लो. 36 ले लो तो भी हो जाएगा, बट फिर भी 36 into 18 तो करना पड़ेगा ना बाद में, मिडल में.
yes.
133 161
133.
161.
दूसरा 3 नहीं आएगा, चेक करो. उसकी जगह
बैलेंसिंग में प्रॉब्लम आ रही. सर 36 का स्क्वायर, पहले तो डबल डिजिट का स्क्वायर आना चाहिए अच्छे से, तब जाके.
तभी तो बोला कि दिस मेथड इज नॉट फॉर दिस. क्यों नहीं? अभी तो किया हमने, ये निकालो.
हाँ सर. Yes, 09
6 का 36
09 and 6 is the 36. Yes.
तो क्या आ गया?
36.
1296.
Yes, 1296 and last one is
81. अब बीच का बताओ, 36 into 9 कितना होता है?
314.
ये देखो 54 कल बताया था, एंड 27 314 कैसे हुआ अभी?
Yes
7
sir.
plus 5 कितना होता है?
हाँ sir. क्या बोला सर आपने फिर से?
7 plus 5
35. 7 plus 5 12.
तो फिर ये 32 हुआ.
हाँ
324 हुआ, 314 कैसे हुआ?
अच्छा 36 into 9 324 और
और
अच्छा सर ये
2
बैलेंसिंग बता रहे हैं, मैं सोची स्क्वायर ही निकाल दी आपने।
नहीं, अभी
324
इंटू 2 करना है ना, तो 648 भी तो आएगा यहाँ।
यस सर।
तो इसीलिए तो मैं
648
1 8 गोज हेयर, 8 का मतलब 6 यहाँ हुआ, 5 यहाँ हुआ, 6 यहाँ हुआ, तो 6 आ गया। 65 फर्दर, तो क्या आएगा? 4 6 3 1, so 1 3 6 4 6 1, सॉरी 1, ये 1 है, सॉरी 161।
3 की जगह 6 आना था सर, रॉन्ग हो गया।
यस,
सर थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, प्रैक्टिस चाहिए।
ये हमने इस मेथड से करना ही नहीं ना,
ओके
ये इसलिए कराया था कि आपको फर्क, सी व्हाई डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स, ऑब्जर्वेशन
Yes,
इसी
sir.
को कहते हैं। डिपेंडिंग
Yes.
ऑन द नंबर यू हैव टू चेंज योरसेल्फ। अभी इसी में एक क्वेश्चन आपने टाइम लिया था, आपने गलत भी दिया था, दैट वाज
हाँ सर
75 स्क्वायर, करेक्ट? एंड नाउ यू विल सी,
56 5625
अभी आप देखना वो आप एक एक सेकंड में आंसर दे दोगे। तो हर एक का टेक्निक अलग है। ओके, यस कृष्णा हुआ, इज इट सॉल्व? कृष्णा, इज इट सॉल्व?
Yes, sir.
सागर?
यस सर, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट जा रहा है।
तो आएगा, आप तो वैसे भी 43 मिनट्स लेट थे, इसलिए ज्यादा आएगा। अभी एक और डिफिकल्टी देना है मुझे, सिर्फ ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन करो, फिर इजी पे आता हूँ, करके भी दे देता हूँ। 9 का स्क्वायर होता है 81, 99 का स्क्वायर होता है 9801, और 9 इंटू 99 इंटू 2 होता है 1782। इतना दे दिया, अब आप बैलेंस कर लो इसको बस। अगर करना पड़ता तो ये 3 मिनट लेता आपका, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन वुड बी सॉल्व्ड इन 1 सेकेंड। आप करेंगे, जस्ट वेट फॉर 10 मिनट्स।
सर ये जो ऐड करते हैं 8371621 इज राइट?
1782 क्या ऐड?
8371621
98,
सर ये जो बैलेंस कर रहे हैं ना उसमें मुझे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, जैसे 81 है 9801 तो 1782
क्योंकि
कहाँ पर
होमवर्क
ऐड
नहीं
होगा?
किया ना कल का, बैलेंसिंग कल ही तो सिखाई थी आपने, किया नहीं, इग्नोर किया।
नहीं नहीं सर इग्नोर नहीं किया, एक्चुअली किया तो था। 1782 दो
अब
डिजिट
देखो,
नंबर लेने हैं।
एक मिनट देख,
82
if A is 9, B is equal to 99, let's say this first, correct? So क्या होगा? 81,
यस
यहाँ क्या आएगा? 9 इंटू 99 इंटू 2, वो हुआ 1782। 99 स्क्वायर अभी निकाला था 9801।
9801
अब मैंने 2 डिजिट लिया है तो 01 तो यहाँ आ गया, 98
यस।
फर्दर गया तो कितना हुआ? 0 8
अच्छा ये पूरा का
8,
पूरा इस पे move होगा।
पूरे को ही तो ऐड कर लो ना।
यस सर। और
अगर
फिर ये जो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट प्लेस।
तो ये देखो 80 यहाँ लिया, 18 आगे गया तो उसका हो गया 9 9, सो 9 9 8 डबल
8001
1। अब
सर
अगर
बैलेंसिंग
सेकंड
गड़बड़ गया।
फॉर्मेट करते हैं, अगर ए को लेते हैं 99, बी को लेते हैं 9, सो देन इट इज 9801 1782 एंड 81। सो 1 एज इट इज यहाँ रहेगा, 8 आगे गया तो 8 का मतलब 10 हो गया ना, यहाँ 1790 हो गया तो 0 यहाँ आया। 179 अगर आगे जाता है तो वो बन जाएगा 9980, तब भी वही। यस उपासना, समझ आया कि नहीं?
हाँ सर,
आवाज
थोड़ा
में
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
डबल डिजिट को ऐड करने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आया था सर। कल हमने सिंगल डिजिट सीखा था ना एक्चुअली।
111 4 टाइम 1 में तो डबल आए थे, ये तो होमवर्क भी दिया था। कोई
नहीं
बात,
सर
नो इश्यूज।
प्रैक्टिस।
मैम आप 3 साल लगाते हो अबैकस सिखाने में, ये 3 महीने में हो जाता है, इसीलिए हो जाता है ना। प्रैक्टिस बात तो है ही है, रटाना नहीं है बस। चलो Now this method अगर आप याद रखो, मैंने फर्स्ट ही ये बोला था we'll start with squares of 2-digit numbers, but we did for 3 also. Now another concept, finding squares of numbers ending with 5. ये बहुत पेपर में ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं. Now what is the concept? 15 square, 25 square, यही होंगे नंबर्स. 35 square कैसे करना है? इसका आंसर 25 होगा और ये जो नंबर है नेक्स्ट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. मतलब 1 को इसका नेक्स्ट कौन सा अगर
225.
so 225. So what is answer of 25 square?
625.
625.
Yes, उपासना समझ आया?
Yes.
हाँ सर. हाँ सर.
इसका क्या आंसर होगा? 35 square.
1225.
1225.
45 का
2025.
2025.
55.
3025.
36.
Yes, उपासना.
3025.
सर सर फिर से रिपीट कीजिए ना, वॉइस थोड़ा क्रैकलिंग आ रहा है. शायद किसी का ऑडियो ऑन है.
ऑडियो सबका ही ऑन है, बट ये समझ आया था 25. If you understand 25 या 15.
नो सर.
देखो ये जो सेकंड नंबर है, सेकंड डिजिट है, इसका आंसर क्या आया? 5 स्क्वायर कितना होता है?
25.
Perfect. Whatever is the number before 5,
4.
multiply that with another second number. This is known as again Ikadikena concept. I'll show you how. मतलब 2 के बाद क्या आता है? What is 2 plus 1?
3.
So 2 को नेक्स्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नेक्स्ट मतलब 3. तो 2 into 3 कितना होगा?
6.
आंसर इज 625. अगर 15 स्क्वायर पूछा गया, so what is after 1?
2.
So 2 into 1 is
21 is 2.
so आंसर 5 का 25. वो तो रहेगा ही 25 ना. 35. 3 what comes after 3?
4. 4 into 3 is 12.
And
25. Got it, sir.
45. अब बोलो.
2025.
Very good. 55.
3025.
Perfect. 65.
3525.
अच्छा.
4225.
4225.
No, 225 is.
4225.
नहीं, मैंने 6 के साथ 5 into कर दिया.
अब भी 330 होता है. नेक्स्ट 75 स्क्वायर. फास्ट.
5625.
5625.
वेरी गुड. यस उपासना.
हाँ सर.
7 to 8.
5625.
हाँ सर. नहीं आपको टेबल इतना तो मैंने बोला था कल भी याद होना चाहिए. अच्छा 85 का क्या होगा?
7225.
7225.
वेरी गुड. 95 का क्या होगा? और इजी.
9025.
9025.
902.
105 का क्या होगा?
100. 111.
10 into 11 कितना होता है?
11025.
25.
1025.
अगर 110 क्या होता है?
नहीं
100
सर.
हाँ
या 11025.
ठीक है. और 115 का क्या होगा फिर? कल किया था 11 into 12 is
120. 11 into 12. Oh.
पहला क्वेश्चन कल यही था. 11 into 12 is 130.
13225. Sir, 13225.
Yes. 125 स्क्वायर क्या होगा?
12 into 13 करना पड़ेगा सर।
तो बोलो क्या होता है? 12 into 13 is 156.
सर ऐसे तो निकालेंगे बट मेथड वैदिक मैथ से कैसे होगा?
वो आएगा ना टेक्निक, वो ऊर्ध्वा सूत्रा करेंगे। अब सारा कुछ एक ही क्लास में, तो फिर वही बोलूंगा 3 साल, और आप सोचते हो आज 3 घंटे में हो जाए?
नहीं सर, वो मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट आप पूछ रहे हैं इसलिए ना मुझे।
12 into 13, so it is verbal, ma'am. As a teacher, you should remember. 12 into 13 is 15625. Yes, Upasna. क्या हुआ? 12 का टेबल नहीं आता? चलो लास्ट एक दो, 135 स्क्वायर and 145 square. So 13 into 14,
182.
very good, very good. And 14 into 15, 210, 25.
210, 25.
उपासना, कृष्णा, क्या हुआ? सागर,
यस सर,
Yes,
यस
sir.
यस सर कह के काम नहीं होगा। मैंने सुबह भी समझाया, मैथ सुनने से नहीं आएगा, मैथ करने से आएगा। ट्राई एटलीस्ट, गलती होगी कोई बात नहीं, गिरेंगे तभी तो खड़े होके भागेंगे। अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट वाज द आइडिया बिहाइंड, व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस? कि हमने अभी देखा था ए बी स्क्वायर एंड वी सेड ए स्क्वायर 2ab b स्क्वायर, यही किया था पहले।
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if I keep b as 5, so it is a 5 square. So that means a square, 10a and b square. Yes or no?
Yes.
यस यस।
तो इसका क्या हुआ? a square, a आगे ले लिया कॉमन, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे b square, या b square को यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दो बाद में, क्योंकि 0 है। याद करो 0 से क्या कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ना था आपका। और a स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज a स्क्वायर? a plus 1, तो यहाँ पे b स्क्वायर। तो जो भी b क्या था, सॉरी b स्क्वायर को हम डायरेक्टली 25 लिखना है। टू स्लैश 5 लिख लो या 25 ले लो, रहेगा तो वही। So what is this? Whatever is a, that is multiplied with one more. What is this? Again, the concept of एकाधिक ना, बट लगाने का तरीका अलग है। देखिए, एंटायर मैथमेटिक्स में अगर हम बात करें तो देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज एंड इन वैदिक मैथ्स इट्स ओनली 29. तो दिस इज द पॉइंट। कल हमने टेबल के फर्स्ट नंबर में एक ऐड किया था, आज ऐड करके मल्टीप्लाई किया। Got it?
Yes.
So this was what we were using. But कितना इजी हो गया? You are able to tell the answer within seconds. वही जो 75 आप पीछे सॉल्व करने में टाइम लगा, अब आप 7 into 8 इजीली करेंगे। सो जनरली पेपर में भी यही क्वेश्चन आते हैं, 145 या 135 ही आता है, बट वी टेक टाइम बिकॉज यस कुमार। आप कुछ बोलने लगे थे?
No, sir, no.
Okay. So this is, now here we keep on calculating, multiplying 3 times, और वहां हम verbally answer दे पा रहे हैं। Okay. Now similar concepts पे, similar terms पे we can also solve numbers ending with 4, ending with 6, ending with 25, but that is not today's part. Yes, but numbers ending with 1, so it becomes verbal. जैसे ये 5 का है, ऐसे 4 का है, 6 का है, 25 का है, तो आंसर्स बहुत इजी बन जाते हैं। बट नाउ वी लर्न अ यूनिवर्सल मेथड। जैसे हमें अभी 2 क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉल्व किए एंड वी टुक सो मच ऑफ टाइम। अब आप इसमें देखेंगे within seconds you will be solving those concepts which are bigger numbers. 2 digit के लिए that method was good, but even this is also good. Let's say a number is 23 square. Just now we did 23, we said 04, 09, नीचे रखा 6 into 12, we got 529. This was first way of approach. दोबारा हमने किया 4, 12, 9, so we said 529. Now another method. My target here is कि इस 3 में I have to replace this 3 with 0. So what should I do? अगर 3 की जगह मुझे 0 चाहिए तो क्या करूं? उपासना,
सर क्या बताया?
ये 23 लिखा है मैंने. I want 3 की जगह 0 आ जाए. What should I do?
2 का स्क्वायर निकालेंगे और डबल 0 दे देंगे.
23 minus 3.
Okay. Yes, Kumud.
Yes, 23 minus 2 is equal to 20.
और अगर 23 plus 7 कर दे तब भी तो 30 हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
तो देखो, सोच को बढ़ाओ. सागर, ये
Yes.
करो, शेयरिंग करना. मैंने उस डिजिट को बोला है. ऐसे तो मैं कह दूं मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, सब कुछ 0 हो गया. So don't think what you are answering and understand the question. I just want कि यहाँ पर 0 आए. नहीं तो टोटल 0
Yes.
करना तो into 0 भी हो सकता है. Now observe.
Yes.
23 में अगर मैं -3 कर दूं, so I'll get 20. Perfect. I'll tell you why I am doing this. Now whatever I am adding, I bluntly added. I have to subtract. I subtracted, so I have to add also. Same. So what is 23 plus 3?
70, sir.
23 plus 3, ma'am.
26.
26.
Just multiply these two. Why I brought 0 here so that this multiplication becomes easy. What is 26 into 2? 52 and 0.
52.
Right? Easy हो गया. And you can add this 3. 529. एक और method. 23. If I add 7, it becomes 30.
30. Yes.
Now what is added? It has to be subtracted. जैसे पहले subtract हुआ था तो add करना पड़ा. This becomes 16. What is 16 into 3?
480.
And what is 7 square?
49.
49. So this is
49.
again 529.
529.
Why I did this method? This is based on a minus b into a plus b. अब कारण बता देता हूँ. 999 में you are calculating 9 square, then 99 square, then 9 into 99 into 2. ये 3 calculations आपने की.
Yes, sir.
And you balance. You took 3 minutes. अब मैं सिर्फ +1 किया.
1. That is 1000.
I subtracted 1, I got 998. So answer is 998 000. And +1, finish. 998 001. So what is easy? कितने सेकंड लगेंगे इसमें? कोई कैलकुलेशन ही नहीं है. You just added 1, you subtracted 1. So this was the reason, this was the motive to bring 0 here. Why? Because the multiplication with single digit is simple. Zeros तो पीछे लगा दो. Yes, Upasna, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sagar,
Very clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now you understood why I did this. पहले ये
Yes,
दोनों numbers लिख लो, फिर I'll give you work. So first 23 का, so it is not that, see, हर एक की सोच अलग हो सकती है. कोई बच्चा इसमें +3 कर रहा है, -3 कर रहा है. Somebody can say +7 also. but see the ability to think, see critical thinking कितना different कर रहे हो आप. मतलब 23 में +7 भी हो सकता है, -3 भी हो सकता है, and then also you are getting the answer. This is the beauty of Vedic mathematics. If this is written, now write down this 99, 999, sorry, because this was very important for you, जहां आपने 3 मिनट लगाए थे. Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So let's solve 97 here.
Zero nine.
Where is it?
Yes, बोलो. इसमें देर का काम नहीं है. You have to hurry up.
Sir,
94009.
94009.
94.
09.
How 009? Upasna.
So 9409.
Correct.
हाँ, sorry sir, हाँ 9400 के साथ 9 ऐड. Sorry sir, 9409.
समझ आ गया ना? अगर
हाँ
नहीं,
सर.
सागर
3309.
सागर आंसर क्या है?
गॉट इट नहीं हो रहा सर 100%.
क्या चीज?
ये 100% नहीं समझ में आया सर, ये माइनस प्लस करना.
मैं आपको पूछूंगा या आप पूछोगे मुझसे? रहने दो, अगर नहीं क्लास लगानी तो. अब हर चीज को आधे घंटे बाद याद करते हो कि पिछला करा दो मुझे.
नहीं सर, ये अभी का जो हो रहा है ना.
सर आप बोलोगे तो सही, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं तो बोलेंगे तो सही आप. लीजिए 97, मेरा पर्पस है यहाँ पर 0 आ जाए. y0 मैंने वो समझाया कैलकुलेशन इजी करने के लिए. सो क्या करेंगे आप? 97 में 3 ऐड करें तो 100 हो जाएगा.
यस हो जाएगा.
परफेक्ट. अब 100 इसलिए किया क्योंकि 100 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी है. किसी नंबर को मैं कहूं 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, आपको डिफिकल्टी आएगी?
नहीं आएगी.
क्यों नहीं आएगी? क्योंकि बेसिकली यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 1. तू तो पीछे के लगानी है ना जीरोस. तो अब प्लस किया है तो उतना ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. जितना ऐड करो उतना सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. व्हाट इज 97 माइनस 3?
94.
सागर
94 सर.
हाँ, तो 94 इंटू 100 कितना हुआ बेटा?
94 94000. यस.
ठीक है. अब जो डिजिट लिया था उसका स्क्वायर कर लो.
9. ओके.
ठीक है.
यस सर.
एक को अब समझ आ गया. तो इसका मतलब जब मैंने ये कराया था आपने नहीं सुना था. आप बीच बीच में ना क्लास छोड़ जाते हो.
नहीं सर, समझ वो थोड़ा फास्ट हुआ ना, इसलिए मैंने कहा चलो ट्राई करने में हो जाएगा ऐसा.
मुझे
लेकिन
लग
नहीं
रहा था सारे टीचर्स है ना, सारे उनको समझ आ रहा है, आपको भी आ जाएगा. कोई बात पूछो.
आ
जब
गया
तक
सर.
पूछोगे नहीं, मैं कितनी बार आपसे पूछूंगा. थोड़ी देर बाद मैं भी कहूंगा अच्छा छोड़ो यार, ये इसने करना ही नहीं. बार बार 103 फाइंड आउट.
जीरो थ्री.
Sir, 10609.
वेरी गुड।
यस सर 10609।
देखो अब समझ आ गया। अब ये
Yes, sir.
मैनेज कर सकते थे आप, पता है, क्योंकि आइडिया हो जाता है कि 3 ऐड करना है बस। 113 करिए। 13 स्क्वायर पता है कितना होता है? 169।
9
स्क्वायर
सर 11
सर
11 स्क्वायर भी निकाल सकते हैं।
हाँ सर मैं
इस मेथड में कैसे 11 करोगे?
110 लिया था।
अच्छा चलो लेते हैं। बाई चांस
11 and 3
एक मिनट, मैं आपकी बात मान रहा हूं। यहाँ पे बताओ, अब यहाँ पे हो गया 116। ये 11 था तो आपको कल का फॉर्मूला चल जाएगा, बट यही यहाँ पे 123 होता, फिर क्या करते? बेसिकली जब 3 डिजिट हो, मेक इट, ट्राई टू मेक इट डबल जीरोस, हो जाएगा। आज आपको अगर 11 का कंसेप्ट याद है, कर लोगे, बट बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज, मैं दोनों दिखा देता हूँ। 113 माइनस 13 सो 100 प्लस 13 मीन्स 126, तो 12600 इजी आ गया, प्लस 169 तो 12769। अगर हम इसको करते हैं सिर्फ 3 को, कि -3 प्लस 3, सो कितना हुआ? 116।
110 और 116 और into 11
तो करिए। सो 1270 करेक्ट।
यस सर
6 भी आएगा,
12760
ठीक है। अब 3 स्क्वायर
हाँ
9 होगा, तो
यस आंसर इज
12769,
769
but always prefer 100. Is it clear now?
यस
यस
Yes, sir.
चलो एक क्वेश्चन और करो। 194
इसको 200 से करें सर चलेगा?
200
और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। 100 करोगे तो 94 स्क्वायर निकालना मुश्किल है ना।
यस यस
200 का तो फिर वही सिंगल डिजिटाइज ही हो गया।
सो 37616 आएगा क्या?
हाँ जी,
37616
636।
सर 37636
यस
36 यस 37636 6 का स्क्वायर 36 है।
सागर आ गया आंसर।
2 मिनट सर थोड़ा सा।
यार जब आप मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो, मुझे बड़ा लगता है कि आप मैथ्स के प्रोफेसर होंगे कहीं के, क्योंकि वो आज भी एक्सपोनेंशियल्स करा दो एंड फिफ्थ रूट निकालना सिखाएं। अभी तो बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं है आपका, स्केयर्स।
यस सर यस।
तो फिफ्थ रूट क्या मेरा टेस्ट ले रहे होते हो उसमें?
नहीं सर
फिर मैंने उस दिन भी आपको बोला था पहले स्क्वायर रूट करें फिर ट्रिप। आई डोंट वांट कि सारे आंसर मैं आपको दूं, आई वांट यू शुड प्रोग्रेस। देखो तभी सीखोगे और तभी नॉलेज आएगी, तभी आगे इम्पार्ट कर पाओगे। रट्टा मारोगे क्वेश्चंस को तो देन मुश्किल है। वन मोर 500 एंड चलो 511 कर लेते हैं, बढ़ाते जाएंगे हम क्वेश्चन को। कर
सर
26112.
1025
26121 26121
Yeah, 26112.
26121
yes 261121
ओके डन। अब
Yes,
इसी
sir.
को देखो 4 डिजिट करते हैं 499 करो 100। थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन आएगा 5000 से मल्टीप्लाई करने में, बट दैट इज आल्सो नॉट डिफिकल्ट। और लेटर आप रियलाइज करोगे कि व्हेन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 5 इंस्टेड डिवाइड बाय 2 वो इजी हो जाता है।
Sir, is it 2495
9349
0049?
उपासना यू डूइंग गुड। कैसे कर रहे हैं आप?
सर आपने जैसे सिखाया वैसे।
सच में वेरी गुड। नहीं, इफ यू आर एबल टू डू, सी व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इफ यू आर एबल टू डू देन इट इज गुड। क्योंकि टाइम लगता है कई बार लोगों को समझने में। यस आंसर
950049।
950049। सिर्फ छोटी सी गलती है, ये 5 नहीं है, चेक करो।
2493 आएगा सर।
ठीक है देखो।
003
यस
आएगा
सागर। हाँ
थ्री आएगा सर, 5 के जगह पर 3 आएगा।
बाकी ठीक है।
यस बाकी तो ठीक लग रहा है।
कृष्णा
24910049
49
1
नहीं 3 आएगा, चेक कर लो। चलो मैं करता हूँ ये क्वेश्चन, देखो 4993। तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? ऐड 7 फर्स्ट। 5000।
5000
ठीक है,
5000
माइनस
माइनस
7 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा?
4986 into 5।
4986। अब 4986 into 5। देखो इसका एक
5
बहुत इजी तरीका है। क्या तरीका
बैलेंसिंग।
होता है इजी? कभी भी जब हम फास्ट करना चाहते हैं तो डिवाइड बाय 2 कर सकते हैं। मल्टीप्लाई 2 डिवाइड 2 तो और इजी हो जाएगा। क्या आएगा आंसर?
2
2 यहीं से दिखता है 2 देन
4934
3 4 पक्का।
24930 सर।
24930। यस सागर आया कि नहीं?
सर कैसे किया सर
ये मैंने
डिवाइडेड बाय 2।
डिवाइड बाय 2 भी कर सकते हैं आप अभी अगर ऐसे करना चाहें ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। डिवीजन बाय 2 का एक कंसेप्ट होता है, ये दिखा देता हूं मैं। सपोज बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन लेते हैं 298। डिवीजन करनी होती है, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड। नाउ व्हाट इज 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2? क्वेश्चन क्या है? 1। रिमाइंडर कितना है? 0। ठीक है, तो कैसे लिखते हैं? यहाँ 1, यहाँ 0 आगे आ गया, रिमाइंडर है दैट इज रिटन हियर। अब आ गया 09। 09 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करें सो दिस बिकम्स क्वोशिएंट इज 4 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 1। So quotient 4, remainder 1. So
Remainder
new
1.
number is
9
18.
times
So 18 means 9.
9 times।
Correct. So same यहाँ पे वही कर रहे थे हम। ठीक है? So this concept is called as halving. Dividing by 2 is known as halving. ये आप सिंगल लाइन में कर सकते हैं। ऐसे ही 16 तक जा सकते हैं। 2 से डिवाइड, 4 से डिवाइड, 8 से डिवाइड, 16 तक से, 32 से। करेक्ट। सो सिंगल लाइन में आप डिवीजन कर सकते हैं, कितना भी बड़ा डिजिट आ जाए। So this is clear now? Scales, बड़े digits भी? Okay. So let's move further. So this was what we did, 23 square. Again, 65, 98. Then numbers ending with 5 with Ikadikena Purvena. And then universal method 26, हमने 23 लिया था शायद example. 52, 97, 213, 112, all like this. Now, the second topic before cubes. One is cubes we'll be learning today. And before that, how to launch your classes. If you want, we can have a break of 1 minute if you want. अगर पानी पीना है तो. Otherwise, we'll start.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Breaks. 1 minute.
5 नहीं. We'll just have for 1 minute. ठीक है 2 minutes. 15, 41 हो गया. So 45 तक 3 minute ले लो. Right? So, now we'll be starting with how to launch your classes. Right? थोड़ा theory है. So, what all is required? What do we need when we launch or when we are planning to launch online classes? Like in offline, you need an office. So definitely here, office is not required. You need system and everything. That is one thing. Now, a thorough course idea and plan should be ready with you. It is not necessary that you have complete content. That is the reason if somebody had a word with me, I told them very clear that after this workshop also, you can start training. You can start coaching. Sagar, I told you this also. Because the class 3rd, 4th, 5th, for them, tables are important. Now, yesterday we gave only 2, 3, 5 examples of 9 and then 2, 3 examples of this. But when you are teaching to the students, you can take as many as examples. If it is an offline class, so definitely you have to answer to every student. So that always takes time. So 15 days content is there. One is tables, one is fast multiplication with 11. Later you can extend it to multiples of 11, then triple one and so on. Then for today's. Now these students, they don't have numbers bigger than 12, bigger than 2 digits. So first concept was sufficient for them. And second concept of numbers ending with 5 so that they can remember and they can feel happy also, because 5 was very easy for everyone. This will make them learn their tables also. They'll remember their tables also. So the double benefit would be for them. Now, second important thing is why here it is said out complete course idea and plan. Because when you are talking about online, your advertisement, your post, your pamphlet, brochure, whatever it is, everything, it should be clear. Your niche should be very much clear. Niche means who is your target audience? Because here you are not giving posts like printing a pamphlet and then putting it into the newspaper where it is going to everyone. Here you want to target. If you are target only parents of class 3rd, 4th, and you are writing an ad is also going to those parents, Facebook is helping you out. But your post, it is written, learn Vedic mathematics. Now, how will a mother who is having a child in 3rd, 4th, 5th relate to that? So the ad should be very clear. Your niche should be very much clear. I take classes of class 3rd, 4th, 5th, or this batch is starting for class 9, 10. You just see today morning also I floated one post that was classes of 8th, 7th, 8th, 9th starting batch on 15th. So now those people will only contact. And why should, I'm not saying others will not contact, but at least they'll know what I am targeting or whom I am looking for. Similarly, if you saw my teachers ad, it was mentioned very clearly, I help support teachers and businessmen and housewives, so that they can correlate with it. Yes, it is, this ad is meant for me. This post is meant for me. Otherwise, your post, your advertisement will be lost in the crowd. Are you getting my point? this is where we fail. आप बहुत सी posts आती हैं, it is very openly mentioned, learn Vedic maths. It helps to this, it helps to this. आप इतने advantages भी लिख देते हैं. But the major point है, who is the target audience, that we forgot. So until and unless you mention that comes in the Sagar, आपके disturbance है तो mute ही रहने दो. So that comes in that should depict in your post. Similarly, even you have to plan it out. I always recommend when you are starting with these classes, go for class 3, 4, 5 only, because those students will not ask you more questions. They'll not interrupt you in classes, but class 6, 7th, 8th will interrupt. They'll ask number of questions. And even if you don't have proper knowledge, deep knowledge initially, you'll get confused. Got the point? And if you are not able to answer even a single question, your entire efforts will go off. I explained you yesterday also what is happening with the teachers, parents, students. They are comparing every day. Just think how much time you took to take the decision to attend a workshop. Nobody is free today. So if they want to pay to you, they will cross-check, verify everything. And most important, why this is demarcation? Because initially you should target one particular only, because you cannot teach everyone the same content. The batches have to be different. Sagar?
Yes, sir.
आप बंद कर लो म्यूट, आपको अभी नहीं बोलना, पर आपके पीछे की आवाज आती है.
Sorry, sir.
Now, because whatever you have to teach in class 3rd, 4th, 5th, that is not to be taught in 6th, 7th, 8th. That is somewhat different. I'll give you example of it. Now, generally parents come to me for class 1 and 2 also. I give them one concept, digit sum. If you want to see that is, I have taken that session, and that video is available. Ask me now. Last week, 71 episode or 73rd episode also. Now, digit sum is a concept which can be taught to every child to reevaluate, to check verify their answers. But ideally, Vedic maths should be implemented from class 3rd onwards only. So one more important topic is vinculum numbers. Now, vinculum numbers are new numbers, not like our numbers from 0 to 9. In that, we don't have 6, 7, 8, 9. We work only on 1 to 5 and 0. So you'll say, where will 6, 7, 8, 9 go? We'll convert them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will make certain calculations possible, which was not possible in maths. A concept of vinculum number is so helpful. But again, it is not to be taught to class 3rd, 4th, 5th. So you have to balance it. Okay, what is to be taught to 3rd, 4th, 5th? You have to segregate, you have to differentiate the syllabuses. If you want, I can share with you syllabus of class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, 10th is not a problem because teacher training module will be shared with them. The same. Only the thing is, yes, if it has got number of methods of finding square, you can reduce to one sum, depending on the students, because some students want to learn more, give them more. But if you find that he's so in maths, give less techniques, but practice more. The fourth kind of batch could be competitive exams. Now, competitive, they don't want the names of the sutra, they don't want any background, they don't want anything, because their main focus is to cram and get the marks. So for them, like we did scares today, only first technique is sufficient and numbers ending with 5. But yes, if they want for bigger numbers, we have one more method that is called as duplex method. That can be given. So only 3 methods out of 13 can be shared with them. That's all. And they'll do wonders. The last 5th kind of batch could be teachers training. So then you have to be, but by the time you reach that, you should practice. Because one who is paying you to become a trainer, they'll ask every small question. Maybe not in the workshop, but yes, when they start with the batch, because that time homework is must. And that time entire syllabus has to be dealt. So every day they'll be coming up with their questions. So these are the 5 different grades, or you can segregate this into 5 different groups. If you have already experience holder, to start with direct school seminars. Every school is looking for such sessions. They invite. And then from even one single school, if you get a strength of 2,400 students, nothing better than that. It is just the beginning of Vedic mathematics. So you can explore as much as, and you can earn as much as. The only thing is practice first, because before taking the class, even if it is of class 3rd, you have to be clear with the doubts, because the moment you are recording yourself, parents will also watch. That is the only alert I say. Yesterday also I said content and delivery. So content I can provide you, but delivery you have to do it. Right? Second important thing which you need is email list. Now, email, why I say email? When I talk about it, is just email is a reference word, otherwise contact list, you can say. Try to reach as much as you can. Just check with my sessions of Ask Me Now. Every week we have 2 sessions, Tuesday, Thursday, and those sessions, in those, schools are invited. So teachers from different schools participate, and that is can be targeted through emails also. If you want to target, if you achieve one only school, I again say, so many students can be reached out. Yesterday also, one of my student, Adarsh, he took a session in government school, Delhi. He shared pics with me. So this is how you can proceed. Right. If you're putting up in a colony or an apartment, then this is very easy, because you get a list of numbers and you can directly reach them. Offline, if they are ready, go for an offline batch. But if they are ready for online, take that also, because online you'll feel better. Right. You know the tension of getting ready and going. Just sit in front of your camera and laptop and you are ready for the show. Right. So all depends on you. So these 2 things are required. Third thing, a very important now, sales page, a platform to launch. Now, this was the reason I was asking. Like when you are opening an office, you first take a space where you can teach. Then you start advertising, put a board, hoarding on your everything you do. So how you will do the same thing on online? Create a page, because that would be your identity, as well as that would be a platform from where you can launch your class. All of you reach to me through my page only. No? Maybe Facebook page, maybe Instagram, maybe yesterday there was an inquiry from Pakistan. So, but I had to respond back through Quora, not Quora, LinkedIn. Quora, I receive number of queries every time. Algeria, last time I trained. Canada, I took the batch. Now, I think Canada, that was Vedic Roots School. And they, for 3 hours, they paid 9,000 rupees. So is it bad? Videos are available. So see, you have to reach to number of people, and that is more easy in online. Don't I'll tell you now what happens. People talk to me, and my trainers, I have already told them how to do. If you'll observe today, 99% of female trainers, they have locked their profile. I will not name 3. So 3 of them approached to me. They said, sir, we are not getting inquiries. I said, okay, give me your Facebook account from where you are posting. She shared with me. I clicked on it. It was said the profile is locked. First make friend. Now why? I told her the same thing. Why is it compulsory to see your things or to see your ad? I have to first make your friend. The same could be with the front person. Now, same, maybe a female is approaching you and she's also having the same doubt. Why should I disclose my identity? Then what will happen? You have lost. You have lost one inquiry which could have been converted. Are you getting my point? Don't worry. Yes, things happen. When I was now I remember 3 years back. Yes, when this girl, that girl of 8 years, she's from Assam, Jorhat. So when she became a trainer, then we said, okay, we'll take a dual seminar. I'll speak in English and she'll talk in Assamese. And we planned for a seminar, online seminar. You know, while we were giving a seminar, it was hacked. So many students entered the Zoom class because it was free. And they didn't let it happen also that day, around 40, 50. But that was one incident. After that, no incident. After that, last month, 2 months back, asked me show, night 9/11, 9. Then also 5, 6 entered. But now, in these 3 years, I also trained. I removed them one by one. So what? Let them do. What will happen? Nothing. Those who are watching you, they are watching you, na? So don't worry about it. Ki people will send me indecent messages, this or that. No, you cannot stop. Otherwise, also every morning to evening you are receiving indecent calls. So, क्या आपने phone बंद कर दिए? So why it on social media? I'm not a promoter of Facebook or Instagram, but what I am telling you today is you are getting free advertisement through these modes, which will not be possible tomorrow. Sagar, you were asking me how to use it. We discussed today. You should have a profile, not a page. You should have a page for business, not a profile will work. But yes, profile पे click करेंगे तो और वो locked होगा तो why will anybody interact with you then? Or how will they interact? This is the first reason, right? So sales page is a platform from where you can launch, and we'll discuss this in depth in coming slides. What are the different platforms from where you can launch your class? Some are paid, some are free also. So I'll discuss with both. Fourth thing is payments. Now, payment is very important because we all are working for payment. Without payment, don't work. Very first thing. And online, never. Just check today 10, 20 profiles. Those who are writing free of cost, any course, let it be Vedic maths or abacus, anything. They are not having even 5 likes or 5 people are approaching. Only it happens, people walk in their seminar, ask some blunder questions and come back because they have not paid. And this happens. You will always get people who don't have the idea, who don't want to learn. You can keep minimum amount, but please remember this thing in your life. If you want to succeed, always value for your money and your time. If you will not value your time, your money, why would others? If you are out, nothing is available free of cost in nature. Do we have anything free of cost? Sagar, कुछ free में मिलता है? Kumud,
No, sir.
Kumud, you are into business, so you know it better. Yes, Upasna. People
No, sir.
answer me, sir, air is free of cost. There is air free. Inhaling is free. If you keep on inhaling and don't exhale, क्या आप जी पाएंगे? Will you be able to survive? So it is barter system. Inhale oxygen and you give out carbon dioxide. That is the reason it comes free. It is not free. Actually, it is a barter also. So everything is available on paid basis, and that is the best way, because you will also get people who are really looking for this thing. Otherwise, anyone will say, come and then say, what is this? And move out, making a comment and moving out. How will you manage that? So please understand this thing. Correct. How to take payments is very important. So in India, when you're taking payments in India, always have these wallets available. GPay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay. These are major three. Otherwise, some have Bajaj Pay also. Then Paytm, most used nowadays. If you want to take foreign payments, international payments, because definitely you'll get international students also. Then there is a site called PayPal, from where you register and you get payments. Only one country in the world is there from where taking out the payment is somewhat difficult. That is Nepal. Because Nepal government does not allow direct transfers. So there you must have a tie-up, or you should have an account in SBI Bank. They can only transfer in bank. Then that too up till 25,000 maximum to one person outside their country. Otherwise, they do have a wallet system, but works only in their country. Now, somebody would ask you, no, I want to pay through credit card. Then this wallet won't work. Then you need a payment gateway. So payment gateway is, again, we have different payment gateways. You just have to register and they charge you 3% of the transaction. Now 3% depends, you bear it or your customer bears. That depends how you take it. Correct. But generally customer is ready to bear because they get through credit card, they get installments. Correct. So that is also good. But you should be aware of all such methods. It's not that people are coming to you and giving you cash only. Online, you should be ready. So if you answer this, no, I cannot accept this way, or I don't have a wallet, people, how will people turn to you? Got it? Yes, Kumud? Clear? Upasna,
Yes, sir.
Sagar, how do you take
Yes,
it? Sagar, online ले रहे हैं आप? Sagar, are you taking online payments? Okay. And the last point is terms and conditions. See, this is what depends on you. Entire your terms and condition. You cannot copy it from others. Because maybe I'm offering something at X price. You want to offer it at Y price. So that has to be different. Maybe you are having some refundable policy in classes. There should not be. Because if this happens, mothers after 1 month will say, मेरे बच्चे को समझ नहीं आया, so please refund. So for that, just give them first class. If they are ready, follow, take the payments. Otherwise, nobody would be paying you after a month. Make a habit, advance payment in classes. Especially when you are dealing with small kids. Clear? Apart from this, also, you might have so many policies, whether you are giving 1 hour classes, monthly classes, weekly classes, weekend, whatever your terms and conditions, that is very important. So all these things have to be finalized before you launch the class, so that you have one answer even if anyone is contacting you, right? So, but the main thing, content delivery. Now, yesterday discussed only 11. We discussed with tables, and both I said download the notes. Some of you did, others said very clearly, please download it for me. I could have given you, but then how will you get a habit of doing the things online? Searching, and how much you can transfer every time. So that was the reason why I said, because you should have that habit of getting the things also from net. Otherwise, so content, I will be providing everything. I have books, anyone can take it. Even if you are a trainer, you want to use it commercially, you can take it. So content is available. One of the best books, awarded books, already people know it. But delivery, this is what you have to work on. Because it is totally verbal. It is totally mentally you have to teach. So sometimes it might be you have to give a lecture kind of thing. You need to be ready for that. Important thing. Now, how do people connect to you? Like, or how did you connect to me? You saw an advertisement, that content, that graphic or that video fascinated you, attracted you, you stopped at that, you read that. This is how it happens. Correct? So that means your content, that advertisement or the post content should also be eye-catching. Sagar, samajh aa raha hai? Kumud.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, so many people who are posting without an image. Now, if you don't have an image, you have only text. Will anyone stop at that and read that entire content? No. Image, try that. Your important part is always on the image. Like if it is something dates related, that date should be mentioned on that. If it is class related, class should be mentioned on that image, because image will attract. And you need to make that content. So that images, media, graphics, videos, this you have to do it. Offline, when you were doing, you were creating pamphlets, so a person was coming and designing your pamphlets and charging you heavily. Here also people can charge you if you want. Why to pay when you can do it yourself? Very easy to design these things these days. Earlier, designing was done in Corel, Photoshop. Still, these old things are followed. But apart from that, an easy one is Canva. All images can be designed in Canva. And the best part is templates are readily available. Only you have to change the name, put your pic, and your design is ready. So pre-designed templates are available. Only you have to refurnish it. So is it difficult? But if you don't have the image proper, how will people attract to you? And that is why I was initially telling 3 posts a day I give. Even if I am not paying on that, even if it is not a sponsored ad, I am generally getting 80 to 90 likes per day. And that is the reason we get inquiries. Because it's not that everyone will get attracted on the single day. Maybe they follow you after months. Like Deepak, yesterday he was there, today he's not there because he has his office. He connected with me 1 year back, but joined now. This is, people take time. They follow you, they observe you, and then they connect with you. And when it comes to the parents, parents observe you entire year, and when it is summer vacation or winter vacation, then they call you. So you have to maintain the consistency also. जैसे ऑफिस को साफ रखते हो पूरा साल कि मैंने समर कैंप चलाना है या विंटर कैंप चलाना है या मेरा इस सीजन में ज्यादा रश होता है, सेम इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू ऑन योर पेज. Got it? Giving now images you can design everything. One major problem arises initial days में, how to deliver, how to speak. इतना याद कैसे होगा? So I don't have to hold a paper like old days. नहीं सागर, अब देखो आप बच्चे में कहाँ हम चेंज. That was offline, agreed, but when it is online, now softwares are available. One such software is called as teleprompter. Means whatever script you have, whatever you want to speak, write down that and paste in the teleprompter. That script will will float in front of you. मतलब वो अपने आप आगे चलती जाएगी. आप यूं मोबाइल हाथ में रखें. You see the mobile. Now suppose I'm having a mobile. I'm seeing a mobile, but when I'm recording the video, nobody will be able to judge that I am holding a mobile in my hand and reading the script and speaking. So that is you need at the initial times. Now I am speaking to you from past 2.5 years. I don't need a script, but initially you need it. And somewhere when you're giving lecture, then also you need it. So then the best part is put that into the software teleprompter, read the script and record. This is known as read the script and record, teleprompter. So please remember this thing. This is very important software which you will use.
सर प्लीज मैं इसको मेंशन कर दीजिए, आप लिख दीजिए कौन सा बोला आपने. डेली
teleprompter. आप प्ले स्टोर में जाएं.
1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट.
प्रिंट स्क्रीन ले लो.
DELLY प्रॉम्प्टर.
अभी और सॉफ्टवेयर दे रहा हूं मैं, अगले स्लाइड में दे रहा हूं. इससे सागर यू आल्सो नीड इट.
Yes, sir.
This is very useful. Initial days में you need it. When you have to give lectures online, so कितना याद कर लोगे? Got it? Okay. और पता नहीं चलता. This is what technology news readers used to follow. उनके आगे टीवी लगा होता है. If you observe old national TV जब आता था, then दूरदर्शन, then there was a TV placed in front of news readers. What was that? उसपे स्क्रिप्ट ही होती थी, उसपे मैटर आगे चल रहा होता था उनके आगे और वो देख के बोल रहे होते थे. So that is what is now today called as teleprompter. Clear? Now you can take a screenshot of this. This is all the softwares which are available free of cost also. For videos, unlimited images, videos, you have Pixabay, Pixels, Video Play, Unsplash. For music, you can go for free Play Music, free music archive. Fonts, you have free typography. Ideas, you have Pinterest, you have Dribble. And color palettes. Again, sorry, this Canva. So I was telling you, if you take only Canva, it is free for 1 month, then they are a paid service. But within 1 month, you can make so many good designs. Work on it. It's very simple to use. You have InVideo for videos, Vimeo. All those people who record online classes, they use such softwares. Right. You can take a screenshot of this. Now, classes. Now the first question arises, what are you planning? Are you planning for recorded sessions or live sessions? Yes, Sagar. what would you plan if you have to launch Vedic mathematics or mathematics, and why? Kumud,
सर मैं ऑफलाइन क्लास लूंगी सर।
ऑफलाइन तो लेंगे,
हाँ जी।
ऑनलाइन का अपना स्कोप है, अपने बच्चे हैं, सारे बच्चे आपके वहीं तो नहीं रह गए।
एक्चुअली सर ऑनलाइन मुझे बिल्कुल भी नॉलेज ही नहीं है सर, मुझे पता ही नहीं है किस तरीके से लिया जाता है। मैं अबैकस भी चाहती तो ऑनलाइन ले सकती थी, कोरोना टाइम पे ट्राई किया था बट सही से नहीं हो पाया सर।
अबैकस में प्रॉब्लम थी, यू हैड टू होल्ड दिस काइंड, राइट? मैंने कल भी एग्जांपल दिया था ये। यहाँ मेंटली अभी आप जैसे क्लास सुन रहे हैं, कोई मुश्किल आई आपको?
नो सर।
दैट्स व्हाट दिस इज ऑनलाइन क्लास। सिर्फ फर्क इतना आना था, आपने लेना था और मैंने सुनना, करेक्ट? बट व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग रिकॉर्डेड और लाइव, because you should be very much clear when we talk about mathematics, there are thousands and thousands of videos available. Still, why you are paying for the workshop? Because maths cannot be learned by watching. जिसने आज क्लास नहीं अटेंड की उसको वीडियो जाएगा क्योंकि पेमेंट आई है, बट क्या वो उन्हें समझ आ जाएगा? No, because whatever is their query you cannot ask, and what is your query they don't have. So please understand, maths, Vedic maths is what? Mathematics concepts. No? Maths will come only if you practice it, and for that you need to have live classes that are always better. But yes, there are some professors, Dr. Preeti I think was there, who are already taking mathematics classes. So might be that they have this idea in mind, I'll just take a idea and I can do it. So, but when it is giving sessions, then students always prefer for live, not recorded, because recorded, you might have seen people saying, get entire Vedic mathematics in 400 rupees, 70 lectures. Now 70 lectures of 2 hours. Do we have so much of time to watch video? Because when you are watching video, you cannot have a book along with it and copy doing everything. So that makes a difference. One-on-one or group. Now, definitely when it is paid, one-on-one is always costly because you are giving time to one particular student. And group is bit economical. Before Corona, people were going for online one-on-one classes only. I had so many international students like this Nigeria person. He studied one-on-one, and so many other different from different countries. But now after Corona, people are having less funds. So definitely group classes are going on better. Right. So this is one thing you need to understand, decide. Second, Kumud, आज आपको लग रहा है, tomorrow when you receive a query from Australia or New Zealand or Canada, you will rush for it. Why not? I should take an international student also, and it's much easier.
Yes, sir.
The day you will gain knowledge and you'll start exploring it, then you'll say, why I should be restricted to one village? Why handling those only students? So this is always an expansion is always better, right? Now coming to the platform, I told you now platforms depend what you are looking for. Are you looking for open webinars, workshops, meetings, classes? If it is open means no payment or anyone can walk in and move away. All those who are using Facebook and Instagram, they might have seen that they get a notification XYZ is now online. Now what is that? See, basically Facebook and Instagram are promoting everyone, whosoever comes live. Comes live means when you switch on the video and saying I'm live, and maybe you are showing the video of your journey or anything, or you are taking a class. Both the ways it could be. So it depends how people utilize it. But at least somebody is giving you free of cost that thing. that Facebook is giving, and that is going to at least your friends. He is inviting, he is intimating, he is telling, Facebook is telling or intimating to your friends. Now, it is you who have to make that, get the best of that opportunity. People know that you are taking a class. If you use it, it's your otherwise. So Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, these are options where you can do it free of cost. Applications like Udemy, you can record there and send it. People charge also, and there are certain videos which are free of cost also. It all happens. YouTube, you can upload anything and promote it. Like Sagar, you have a YouTube channel. But
Yes, sir.
unless you put some content which is of some usage, why will anyone visit your YouTube channel? Please understand, every second millions and millions of videos are created. Every second I'm talking about. Because it's not only in India, not only in Maharashtra or any, it's entire globe. So until unless it is useful, why will people follow you back? Yes, it was time before Corona. That time YouTube was not famous. Facebook was not that much used. So Facebook used to charge, I'll tell you, for one advertisement, that used to charge 42 rupees. The day Corona started, I remember the date also, it was around 30th April and all those. And per lead, I was getting around 3 rupees, 6 rupees. Now it is charging 83 rupees, and per lead, you are getting 78 also. Still, it is very cheap. Another free place is LinkedIn, but that is not available to all customers. It clients. It is a kind of higher end profile. So you have to take that. But Facebook, Instagram, these are readily available. And you can take a class which is open for all. YouTube, it would be recorded also there. Right. Now, paid or restricted, like we are doing today. So it was through Zoom, so that you register yourself first, and then I would allow you. So this is how classes can be taken, either in Zoom, either in Google Meet. Other than this, if now what I did yesterday, I took a class and I recorded, and then I posted on YouTube, and you can recheck the video. Correct? It was publicly available, made available. It could have been done like this also, ki I'll hide that video, only you people whosoever paid, and that was available to only those people. So that is possible in YouTube. It is a free of cost system you can work out. Otherwise, there are systems like LMS, which you call it as learning management system. Class Plus ka naam bahut suna hoga you today. Dr. Bindra is promoting. And before that, Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler were there. But they're too costly, $40 a month, $200 a month, or $200 a year, sorry. So what was that in that? One is you can take online lecture directly. Again, it would be recorded there. So you will be having a login. So you can share logins with your students. Whatever time, whenever they want, they can check that. They can see the notes over there only. Like notes yesterday, I said, go for Facebook group. Now, two different things were there: Facebook group, YouTube, and you had to go both the ways. And if it was LMS, then only LMS, your own personal login, and everything was available. But that is all paid services, right? So initial days, you can start with how I did yesterday. Got it? So these can be paid or restricted webinars, workshops, meetings, classes. The same way you can take the classes. Workshop is also a class, right? So this is how you can do. Any question you have, you can ask me now. Yes, Upasna?
नो सर, सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छे से समझाया आपने सर.
ओके, प्रैक्टिकली जब करोगे और आ जाएगा. So payments I already discussed. Now only point was left कि credit card. Somebody wants to pay the credit card, तो आपको पहले ये प्रोसीजर इसमें कहते हैं पेमेंट गेटवे लेना. पेमेंट गेटवे earlier it was 1 month procedure. You had to give application in your bank, they approved, then that hard copy was going to the company payment gateway, they were approving. अभी ऑनलाइन जाओ, इंस्टामोजो, रेजर पे, ये 2 वेबसाइट्स हैं. Register yourself, it will register within 5 minutes and take 48 hours to approve. Because आपका अकाउंट अप्रूव होगा, आपका अकाउंट उसमें लिंक हो जाएगा. So whatever payment is coming, they'll deduct 3% and put back other into your account. So a very good way of payment, collecting the payments, because through credit card आप machine तो लेके बैठेंगे नहीं. You got my point? So if your fees is 10,000 and somebody wants to pay through credit card, how will he pay? Got it? Sagar,
Yes.
Kumud, Upasna?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Rest all I have discussed. PayPal is for international payments. You again same procedure. You make an account in PayPal.com and link your card. They'll do it. You link your account or credit card, whatever you want, and they'll do it. And these wallets you already know: GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, and all. Right. Now, any question first? How to launch classes? Any question you have in that? Yes, सागर, कोई क्वेश्चन है आपके मन में?
सर मैं ये जानना चाह रही थी कि ये जो 2 दिन का वर्कशॉप आपने जो हमें दिया है, इसके बाद अगर प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग लेना होगा तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
क्लासेस शुरू हो रही हैं. एक बैच मॉर्निंग का शुरू हो रहा है 9 to 11. That would be starting on Friday, I suppose. And एक बैच शुरू होना है 9 to 11. इसके बाद मैं क्यूब्स के बाद आपको वो डिस्कस करता हूं, क्योंकि देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ बैचेस. वन इज वीकडेज, वन इज वीकेंड. आई विल एक्सप्लेन, डोंट वरी. एक बार क्यूब्स कर लें. यस उपासना, एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव? संजय?
No, sir.
सागर?
नो सर, अभी तो कोई क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन जब स्टार्ट करेंगे तब कोई क्वेश्चन है होगा तो तब विचार लो, तब पूछ लेंगे.
कोई बात नहीं, आप क्यूब्स करते हैं, क्यूब में पूछ लेना. चलो. So again, what is a cube? Yes, Upasna, Sagar, what is the cube of a number?
Multiplying 3 times.
Yes, multiplying the same number 3 times. So if it is n cube, it is n into n into n. Correct? So if it is
Yes.
1 cube, it becomes 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. If it is 2 cube, it is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Again, what we need to understand, what we need to remember, first 10 numbers. So ये इसीलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि इनसे ही बाकी सारे आपके चलेंगे. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. So please write down this table. Again, this will be helpful in finding cubes of bigger number. जैसे वो squares of bigger number था, ये cubes of bigger number. And also cube roots. Correct, cube roots. कल मैंने एक एग्जांपल भी दिया था. Cube root can be solved just by visualization. But perfect cubes का. Imperfect, there is a long method. Class 6 में वो नहीं आता, class 9, 10th में आता है. So that can be done. Right? So please write down this and then we'll start. Written? सागर लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
उपासना?
हाँ सर।
चलो, let's start. Now, to make it more easy, more interesting, let's again play like a game. We'll do first cube of 2-digit numbers. So what are the 2-digit numbers? Very first is 10 we have covered. So we'll start from 11 to 99. Correct? 10 we have done. 10 is 1000. Now, I'll divide all these numbers into 4 different categories, 4 different groups. Group 1, numbers starting with 1. Correct? Now, what are the numbers starting with 1? 11, 12, 13, up till 19. ठीक है ये? सागर?
Yes, sir.
हो गए?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हो गए?
नहीं, sir.
चलो. Group 2, numbers ending with 1. तो कौन से नंबर्स हैं जो एंड होंगे 1 से? Yes,
21, 30.
11, 21, 31 and 91. ठीक है?
Yes.
Group 3, numbers, you'll see how easy it becomes. Numbers having both digits same. So कौन से digits हैं? कौन से numbers हैं which have both the digits same?
11, 22, 33.
And 99. Correct? Now is it clear?
Yes.
4 last. Group 4, all left out numbers. So what are those? 23, 24 and 98. Okay, here you can write down this. Now, so starting with 1, numbers starting with 1. I'll take the example of 12. 11 nahi lete, easy nahi. So how do we find out till now? We find 12, we multiply with 12.
140.
So we get 144. Again, we multiply with 12. So I get 1720. That means I multiply 4 times and add 2 times. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now see how easy it becomes in Vedic maths. Very first thing, again, I'll go 4 steps in first case, first example. I take 4 spaces. Second, I write A at 1, first position, 2 at second, and leave it. Third, I write 1 here, 2 here. Find the square of 2. What is square of 2?
4.
I write down at third position. What is cube of 2?
6 to 8.
I write down here. Up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
I can directly also write the third step, but the point is, let students enjoy. Now, my question is, why 4 spaces? Why not 3? Why not 5? Why not 6? Why I took 4 spaces? Yes, Sagar.
Because answer is 4 digit.
99 का तो 4 डिजिट नहीं आएगा. $99 will be 6 digit. तो 99 के केस में मुझे पहले पता होगा 6 डिजिट है, मैं 6 स्पेस बनाऊंगा.
No, sir.
Then
No idea.
then yes, उपासना. चलो सोचना मुझे थोड़ी देर में. Yes, Krishna Kumar, all is mine.
Yes, sir. No ideas.
ये यार
Maybe
मैं आपका फेसबुक भी देख रहा था. ऑल इज माइन का क्या कंसेप्ट है?
maybe different for different persons, sir.
नहीं, आपका क्या है? मैंने आपसे पूछा भाई. चल, कोई बात. Now, see what you have to do is at the fourth step at D. So I was having this. What I'll do is I will not do anything with this 2. Only middle terms. I will double the middle terms. Double means multiplication with 2. So what is double of 2? 4. What is double of 8?
16.
4 का 8. नहीं, हमने फर्स्ट और लास्ट को नहीं छेड़ना, हमने सिर्फ बीच के 2 को लेना है. Only between 2 between and add it. So I get 1, 7, 2, 8. समझ आया कि नहीं? एक और एग्जांपल पहले ले लेते हैं. If it is 13, so 1, 3. What is square of 3? 9. What is cube of 3? 27. I double it. Double of 3 is 6. Double of 9 is 18. So what happens? 1, 9, 27, 27. So क्या करेंगे? 7 here, 7 or 2, 9 here, 9 or 2, 1 here, and 1 further, 2197. Now is it clear? सागर,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
देखो 4 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना था, 2 बार ऐड करना था. यहाँ हमने उसी टेबल को यूज किया. स्क्वायर का पहले का स्क्वायर कर दिया, फिर क्यूब कर दिया. इट्स डन. और ऐड कर दिया. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट?
Sir, sir, can you please repeat?
ओके. पहला नंबर लेते हैं 12. फर्स्ट नंबर लिखा ऐसे, 12 है तो 1 लिखा. सेकंड नंबर 2. जो भी सेकंड नंबर है उसका स्क्वायर का निकालना है. स्क्वायर क्या है 2 का? यस उपासना, व्हाट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 2?
4.
4.
व्हाट इज क्यूब ऑफ 2?
8.
मिडिल टर्म्स पे फोकस करो. डबल द मिडिल टर्म्स. तो 2 का स्क्वायर, 2 का डबल,
4.
4 का
4
डबल,
got 8.
Oh, 88.
तो 1, 6, 12, 8. तो क्या हुआ? 8, 2, 7 हो जाएगा ना ये?
हाँ हाँ
अब ठीक है?
हाँ sir, got it.
Anyone who has a doubt, please ask right now. If it is clear, please find out cube of 14. Find out.
So 2184.
184. Yes, Kumud.
2184.
Wrong. Krishna.
22544.
Wrong. Sagar.
1 2 4
Sagar.
yes sir, 2 minutes sir, 2 minutes.
2 minutes तो नहीं है भाई. Kumud.
सर यहाँ पर 1 4 16 64 आएगा ना फर्स्ट स्टेप में.
1 4 16 64. इसका डबल कितना होता है? 8. इसका डबल 32. तो क्या
Add-
हुआ? 64 48 12 एंड 1.
Okay.
बैलेंसिंग कल से कर रहे हैं. 4. ये
सर,
जब
बस
ये कितना बना? 54. सो 4 5 इधर गया तो कितना हुआ? 7. 1 आगे गया तो ये. तो कहाँ गलती हुई उपासना?
सर बैलेंसिंग में आई मुझे प्रॉब्लम, बस और कुछ नहीं.
हाँ सर, बैलेंसिंग में.
देखो इसीलिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप मेरी बुक्स भी देखे होंगे, मेरे पीछे भी लिखा है लर्न मैथ्स इजी वे स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ऑल दोस पीपल हु वांट टू जंप अपॉन सागर सीधा 5th रूट करा दो तो ये देख लो हाल.
Yes sir.
कृष्णा.
Yes, sir.
Krishna, everything is possible in Vedic maths. Please believe on your guru, teacher, whomsoever you study with, and start from the roots, basics. हम जिस बेसिक को इग्नोर करते हैं सारा खेल वही खराब कर देता है. दूरा ज्ञान कुछ नहीं देगा हमें. We have to know the basics. Correct? Okay. Now एक और निकालिए. 17 क्यूब. नहीं समझ आ रहा पूछो. Do it.
Yes. 3913 सर. रॉन्ग.
छोटी सी गलती है. 3 नहीं है.
4.
कृष्णा.
32813.
3
2813.
बैलेंसिंग ही नहीं आई अभी तक.
3 का 7 11.
यस सुपासना.
सर 1 minute sir, I'm doing.
सागर.
Yes sir, 2 minutes.
अरे आप हर चीज को 2 मिनट क्यों बोल रहे हो?
20 seconds sir.
So sir 13913. बैलेंसिंग में ही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है सर.
होमवर्क स्टेप बाय स्टेप करो, कहीं गलती नहीं आएगी. कल इसीलिए बैलेंसिंग सिखाई 11 से, फिर बड़े नंबर्स की सिखाई. उसको प्रैक्टिस की होती तो बैलेंसिंग में दिक्कत नहीं आएगी.
Sir 20 sir 25 223.
4913.
अच्छा पहले बोला तो सर 49 आपने कहा नहीं, तो मैंने सबसे
मैंने
मैंने
तो नहीं कहा ही नहीं. मैंने 3 बोला था. मैंने आपको बिल्कुल ना नहीं बोली।
मैंने बोला 4 तो मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी,
अगर
मैंने आगे वाला read कर दिया, सॉरी।
ऐसे नहीं, ये लो, 1 का 1
इज राइट, यस सर,
7,
समझ में आ गया।
49, what is
343,
cube of 49,
343,
cube of 7?
343, 43,
ठीक है, ये कितना हो गया,
98,
ये कितना हुआ,
14।
तो 343। इतना सा काम करना है, एडिशन हमने करनी है। अगर हम एडिशन ही गलत कर रहे हैं तो बताओ कौन आप ठीक करेगा। 34 यहाँ भेज दो, 3 सिर्फ यहाँ रह गया। 34 जैसे ही आपने यहाँ किया तो क्या हुआ, 181, सो 1 आ
यस,
गया। 18 यहाँ
18
गया
आगे
तो क्या हुआ, 9, और 3 आगे गया तो कितना हो गया।
4।
यस सागर, क्या
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
दे
Got
रहे
it,
थे
sir.
आप।
Got it.
गॉट इट,
Um,
आपने एक भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं किया, सारे में आंसर दे देता हूँ तो गॉट इट। मैं आपको
नहीं सर,
समझना
वो
नहीं चाहता
बैलेंसिंग में
इसलिए।
प्रॉब्लम आया था इस बार।
किस चीज का प्रॉब्लम, आपका ये आपसे
नेक्स्ट
ठीक आया था
सर, नेक्स्ट दो
121।
सर, नेक्स्ट दो।
एक मिनट, ये ठीक आया था 121, 147 और 343।
हाँ हाँ, ये आया था सर, ये
गुड,
एडिशन करने के वक्त थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया।
कंफ्यूजन दूर करो बेटा। चलो, नाउ द सेकंड थिंग, नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 1। So what are the numbers ending with 1? सबसे पहले लेते हैं 21। अगेन फर्स्ट 4 स्पेसेस। सेकेंड स्टेप, पहले हम इधर से चले थे, अब हम उल्टा चलेंगे, कोई फर्क। थर्ड स्टेप, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 2 का क्यूब 8, और फिर वही डबल कर दो
4,
तो क्या आ गया, 9261।
6, 1।
देखो कितना इजी है। चलो पहले 3 स्टेप्स तो खत्म ही हो गए। क्लियर। ये सागर,
यस
जब स्टार्टिंग विद 1 हो तो लेफ्ट टू राइट चलो, जब एंडिंग विद 1 हो तो उधर से, मतलब 1 को पकड़ लो, जिधर 1 है उधर से चलो। इज इट क्लियर।
यस सर।
31 का करो। 31, उपासना क्लियर।
हाँ सर।
चलो अब 31 तो हो जाएगा।
Two nine seven nine one.
29,
791.
वेरी गुड, इजी हो गया। यस
यस
प्रमोद,
सर,
व्हाट इज द आंसर।
29791।
So 29791.
वेरी गुड। चलो एक और करो, 51। What happened? इतनी देर नहीं लगनी. 1, 5, 25.
125. हाँ.
So 50, 10. So 1, 15, 75,
125.
125. So क्या हुआ? 1, 5. ये इधर गया तो 6. 125.
132,651.
कितना इजी है अगर सोच के देखो तो. अदरवाइज 51 into 51 करते पहले तो आंसर निकलेगा, देन 51 से मल्टीप्लाई कर. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
यस सर.
Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Please ask now.
डाउट तो नहीं, सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस की नीड है सर.
प्रैक्टिस तो करनी ही पड़ेगी ना, होमवर्क तो करना ही पड़ेगा. कितने दिन तक भागोगे या फिर छोड़ दो? कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है मैथ्स में, यू हैव टू डू इट. देखो छोटी छोटी चीजें गलतियां आएंगी. अब हम एक ही टॉपिक के सारे क्वेश्चन करने लगे तो यहीं पे क्लास लग जाएगा, फिर टॉपिक्स नहीं हो पाएंगे उतने. ठीक है, अभी भी मैं आपको चाहता था कि नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 4 सिखा दूं, 6 सिखा दूं, 25, बट टाइम देखो. ओके, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट क्लासेस फर्स्ट. क्या क्लासेस का कंसेप्ट क्या है? क्लासेस आर बेसिकली, वी हैव 2 टाइप्स ऑफ क्लासेस, दैट इज वीकेंड and weekdays. Weekend means only Saturday and Sunday. Weekdays means one day, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Now timings could be morning 9 to 11, 6 to 8 in the evening, or 9 to 11 in the evening. ये 3 टाइमिंग्स होते हैं दोनों बार. तो या तो आप वीकडेज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो या वीकेंड. अभी जो बैच शुरू होने वाला है दैट इज वीकडेज, दैट इज 9 to 11 AM. दिस बैच विल स्टार्ट ऑन फ्राइडे, वेडनेसडे और फ्राइडे. तो अगर बिकॉज आई टेक ओनली 6 स्टूडेंट्स इन वन बैच, मैक्सिमम is 6, 4, 5, 6 पे हम कर लेते हैं ताकि यू, बट वन ऑन वन अटेंशन रहेगा. एंड दिस विल गो फॉर 3 months and this will go for 4 months because it is only 2 days a week. आपने ऐड देखी होगी, पहले 6 weeks में भी कोर्स होता था. कैसे था कि वी वर टेकिंग 3 hour क्लासेस, जैसे ये कल और आज भी 3 hours के वर्कशॉप गए हैं. सो अर्लियर बैचेस जो हमारे शुरू के टीचर्स हैं, एंड सेकेंडली दैट वाज द कोरोना टाइम, पीपल वर अवेलेबल. 3 hours के 3 दिन अगर होंगे तो आप समझ सकते हैं जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. 8 हफ्तों में, 6 हफ्तों में खत्म हो जाता था. Right. This is the timings and classes. Now, what are the topics we'll be dealing? See, topics already आपके साथ share भी किया हुआ है. I'll explain also. It is available on Dr. Yogesh Chandna. ये website है .in/books. Now, so you will find 6 books. Every topic is, or everything is stepwise. Why it is step means you need to go from the basics first. First we'll be dealing with digit sum. So I told you would be useful for class 1 and 2 also. कोई बच्चा आ ही जाता है आपके पास, so you can start with them. At least with digit sum they can get confidence, because digit sum is a way to check answers, verify your answers. Maths में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही आती है, we don't know whether we have done it correctly or not. That is covered in the first. So first starting with introduction to Vedic maths, terminology used. Terminology में the sutras we will discuss 4-5 sutras first. Complement find करना, digital root find करना, and then we start with the new number called vinculum number. If it is class 3-4, these numbers are not there. So उनकी books अलग हैं. Class 3rd, 4th, 5th की books भी separate हैं. Then coming to multiplication tables. Now tables, I taught you 2 ways yesterday. But tables can also be done with vinculum numbers. That is more easy. So, but then we start with left to right कैसे addition करना है, that was a basic thing, because we need to understand कि left to right will be always faster. So we need to develop that habit of going fast, habit of observation, habit of finding the reasons and logic. So always visualization would be the important thing. इसको ignore करके नहीं चल सकते कि क्वेश्चन आया हमने लिखना शुरू कर दिया. First we have to visualize the things. So we'll be starting with addition, subtraction, and the very important thing, all those who are math teachers over here, I'll ask a very simple question. If I give you three numbers of positive and 3 of negative, can you solve them simultaneously? No, it is not possible in maths. We'll segregate. हम positive अलग कर देंगे, negative अलग करेंगे, and then we'll solve. But this is possible in case of Vedic maths. You can add and subtract simultaneously. There are certain things which, now this is very simple thing, addition and subtraction, but it is not possible in maths. Second step, that was step 1 book. Step 2 will deal with Nikhilam Sutra, जो कल हमने बात की थी, all from 9, last from 10. If you have to multiply 99 into 99 or 99 into 97 or anything like that, bigger numbers. Now this is, you have to take a reference point. That reference is called as base. And multiplication becomes easy. So entire second book is based on that. Third book, Urdhva Sutra, the base of general multiplication, and any type of question comes, any big number, small number, any above digit, below digit. So first we'll do with 2 digit, then 3 digit, then 4 digit, then we'll also work on decimal, because students have a more problem in decimals. Students को दो जगह difficulty आती है, decimal and fractions. So both have to be dealt very carefully. Then special multiplication, like I told you yesterday, specific cases. So one is if the last two numbers are adding to 10 or 100 or 1000, that is known as Antyaya Dashke. एक इसका reverse भी possible है, if, and second is if multiplier is 9, 99, 999, or this is possible. Then multiplication with 11. So we did this topic yesterday, 8th, 9th, 10th. Then algebra. So I told, yes, algebra 15th topic. It is single line answer if we are clear with topic 1 and 2. Correct. So इसके बाद पेपर में कैसे आते हैं, sum of product and product of sums. This is third step. Fourth will start with your all scaring, cubing. Now, first concept is all from 9, last from 10. Now, if this single phrase is remembered, student will never get confused in money transaction. Entire world money transaction is based on this one line, all from 9, last from 10. I'll explain you in depth. Doubling. Doubling means multiplication with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So you can immediately multiply by 2. And then again you multiply, that means it is multiplication with 4. So this way you can work out. Concept of halving. I did one example today. So that is division by 2. Again divide, that is 4. Again divide, that becomes 8. So in scares, there are different methods. If you see from right from 4 to 16. So 13 methods have been given. Today we did 6th, 7th, and 8th. So we did this 3. And the last cubes, we did first one, cubes of 2-digit number. But still, bigger numbers we can do. And 19th also we started. 20th also means 4-digit can be done. Then there are different other methods, which is much easier than this for bigger numbers. So that is also there. Step 5, it starts with all division part. Division by first simple divisions, single digit divisions, all 2, 4, 8 we have already done. So here it would be 5, 25, 125. Then Nikhilam Sutra division. This is Vedic divisions. Right, Parvartya Sutra and everything regarding division. Even I was discussing 7, divide by 7, Kevalam Saptam Gunyat. So all the engineering students or anybody, it's very useful for engineering students and for other students, HCF, LCM. So where if anybody is going for entrance exam of Sainik Vidyalaya, so at least 4 to 5 questions are always coming from LCM, HCF, and they find it difficult. So this is very useful in them. Fractions, percentage, that will be dealt here. And the last, square roots, cube roots, calendar, all your divisibility and algebra, entire equations, that is covered in this step. But this is not written in depth. You can see that link. Everything is available. Now you had a problem. Okay, the fee says, yes, for this workshop students, it is 14,999. Now what you get in this? One is certification, international certification. But please remember, only taking class will not give you certification. Let me clear it right now. After the class, you are free to give exam any day. It would be online. You give the exam, 6 days, you'll get the certificate. But without exam, not possible, because it is an international certification. Today also, you'll see there were more than 12 people who registered for this workshop, but they will not get certificates. People who attended, they'll only get. I have a very clear policies. So one set of books you will get free in this 1320. You were having a doubt who will design all these brochures and everything. So all these designs, if you are my student, all are free for you. Just check whatever design suits you. Let us know, and we'll make the changes and we'll send it to you. So all my students are doing like this only. All support letters, templates for schools, institutions, because if you are going to a school, you need a letter, you need a background. So that is free for you, and 1 year support. So that means when you are doing, when you are a student, that is 100% all images, and this we will give it to you. All designs are for you. Right. So this is what you get. Still, if you have any queries on this, you can have a personal call. But one batch is going to start, that is confirmed, from Friday morning 9 to 11. Evening batch, we are working on it because last batch is going to finish, so new batch will start. Evening batches are not available, they are already packed, because I take only 5-6 students, so that way it is full. So, do let me know if anyone is interested. Now, yes, Kumud, any doubt now on that part?
No, sir.
Clear? Weekend, weekdays, and timing you have to decide. Correct?
सर इवनिंग बैच का टाइमिंग नहीं होगा ऐसा?
6 से 8 या क्या 9 से 11 बेस्ट है आपके लिए?
9 से 11
सर वो टाइम का ही मुझे भी लग रहा है सर. मॉर्निंग 9 to 11 इज वर्किंग टाइम.
इम्पॉसिबल है सर वो.
तो रात को 9 से 11 ही बेस्ट है सर, क्योंकि 9 से 11 ही फ्री रह जाता है ना, इसीलिए वो शुरू होना है नेक्स्ट वीक, हो जाएगा.
अच्छा. और टाइमिंग ड्यूरेशन कितना होगा सर?
9 से 11 कितना?
नहीं मंथ आपने बोला ना, तो एवरीडे कर एवरीडे के लिए.
एवरीडे नहीं लेना सर, आप लिख के दिया था मैंने, मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे.
हाँ, यस.
मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे 9 से 11, ठीक है, रात को. क्योंकि सभी टीचर, सारे बिजनेसमैन अब फ्री तब होते हैं ना रात को.
तो सर आप तो मैं ऐसा पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि एवरीडे लेकर अपन मतलब एवरीडे लोगे तो जल्दी होगा, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता क्या?
एवरीडे में होमवर्क कौन करेगा? इसका चाशनी बना के भेज देता हूँ, पी लो, सारा कुछ आ जाएगा ज्ञान.
नहीं, वैसा तो नहीं होगा.
फिर और बताओ, होमवर्क के बिना कैसे होगा? एक दिन बीच में चाहिए आपको. विदाउट दैट यू कैनॉट डू. अभी देखो, कल का ही होमवर्क नहीं हुआ, कल तो कुछ भी नहीं था होमवर्क.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, 3 महीने में सर ये पूरे 6 जो आपने बताए थे सारे कंप्लीट करते हैं?
Already it would be around 58th batch, I think.
So बहुत टफ लग रहा है सर, हो जाएगा?
It's very easy, very easy. सी ओनली आप तो ये बोल नहीं सकते मैम, अबैकस किया हुआ है, यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन। सी अभी तक आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट को यूज कर रहे थे, अभी उसको दिमाग से करने लग जाओ, दैट्स द डिफरेंस। जब हाउसवाइफ्स कर सकती हैं, सो व्हाई नॉट यू? दैट वाज द रीजन आई शोड यू टू एग्जांपल्स। साउथ अफ्रीका, आप अभी भी मैंने कहा ना, सर्च करोगे तो सो मेनी टीचर्स। आप रिव्यूज पढ़िए। डिड यू रेड दैट रिव्यू जो एक मैंने वीक पीछे लगाया,
यस
4
सर,
months
पढ़ा
बैक? मुझे इतना बड़ा रिव्यू किसी ने लिखा है। I'll share you one instance. Initially, when I started with it, I was teaching one pregnant lady. She was 3 months pregnant. आपको पता है जब थर्ड मंथ होता है, it is the most toughest time because your mind is not
यस
and बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स रहती हैं, मतलब
sir.
you are not in position to talk, discuss, अच्छा ही नहीं लगता. I'll show you that review. After third class, she wrote me, sir, I was going through a very crucial time. I was not able to think, decide anything, and just 3 classes have changed my life. कारण क्या होता है? You start focusing on yourself. ये numbers, सिर्फ numbers को focus नहीं करना है, it is your life changes. तो ये रिव्यू कोई ऐसे नहीं लिखता. Nobody writes that I am pregnant and I was suffering through this pains and all, and I got this much change. So I have so many such examples. 72 years का मेरे से कर रहे हैं, एक बाबा उन्मागल करके हैं. If you see, he's liking every post every day.
Wow.
That is, and not in India, so Nepal, now South Africa, Germany, Australia, New Zealand. This is but I told you, content I can give you, delivery you have to do.
Okay sir.
है ना? चलो
Okay.
चलो खत्म करते हैं ये, कोई बात नहीं, ये पर्सनली फोन पे कर लेंगे बात. सागर, कोई क्वेश्चन? उपासना, what
अभी
about you?
पर्सनल कॉल पे.
Okay, now comes most easiest one. When the numbers are same. Yes, Krishna, any question you have?
नो सर.
तो कब शुरू करें?
आई कंसल्ट सर.
Okay, no issues. Now both numbers are same, means 11, 22, 33. Can you think क्या होना चाहिए इसका? Anyone? Just hint. Okay, just see. Whatever is a number, both the numbers are same, both the digits are same, sorry.
Yes.
Write the cube of it every place. If it is 11, 1, 1, 1, 1. Double 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 is your answer. If it is 22, 8, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16. So 8, 4, 2 goes here, 6, 2 goes further. समझ आया? Is it clear?
यस सर.
Yes, उपासना, कुमुद,
Yes sir.
कितना इजी है?
33 का होगा तो 999.
Yes, 9 होता है क्या क्यूब?
सर क्यूब 27 27. ओके सर, क्यूब लेना है. ओके ठीक ठीक.
क्योंकि
वही थोड़ा
क्यूब्स कर रहे हैं ना हम. अब क्यूब ले लो हर जगह. Yes, उपासना, any question now?
No sir, clear.
चलो अब लास्ट करते हैं, या एक ट्राई कर लो, 77 का निकाल लो. चलो 77 क्यू. घर जाके तो होमवर्क शायद ना करो, बट अभी तो कर ही लेते हैं. यस कृष्णा.
यस सर.
सर 4562
4 5 6
2243
रॉन्ग।
रॉन्ग हो गया सर।
यहाँ गलती है।
ओके
यस उपासना, कृष्णा, संजय, कोई आंसर नहीं।
सर इसकी
25653
बैलेंसिंग और समझना है मुझे।
हाँ जी,
बैलेंसिंग के लिए एक बार और समझना है सर, बस वही कंफ्यूजन होगा, बाकी तो राइट।
व्हाट इज क्यूब ऑफ 7?
343
चलो ये लो, लिख लो 343 343
343
करेक्ट। डबल हो गया 6 8 6 6 8
686।
6
यस सर।
3
प्लस
4 3
3
9 2।
29।
ठीक है,
हाँ सर 1029, ये सारे स्टेट्स लिखे हैं, बस बैलेंस करने में
ये
प्रॉब्लम है
देखो
यहाँ।
कितने डिजिट्स
हाँ
यहाँ
सर,
रखे हैं।
बैलेंसिंग में ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा
43 लिखेंगे सर यहाँ पर।
क्यों 2
अच्छा
डिजिट कितने का?
सिंगल।
यहाँ हम सिंगल का ही तो ले रहे हैं।
ओ सर बस यही गलत हो गया सर 3।
वो सिर्फ एक, मैंने वो क्यों समझाया था जब, हाँ 10 जब 7 को हम करेंगे,
हाँ
अगर हम 10 और 7 लेते हैं तो अलग है, अगर हम 1 और 0 7 लेते हैं तब करेंगे ना वो।
जी सर।
सिर्फ 3 यहाँ, ये लो ऐसे ऐड कर लो, 34 यहाँ ऐड करो, कितना आया 3 6 1 0। सो इसका मतलब 3 एक और आ गया, 106 ऐड करो यहाँ, तो कितना आया 1 1 3 5। सो 5 और कर दिया, 113 आगे ले लीजिए, तो कितना आया 4 5 6। सो 4 5 6 5 3 3। क्लियर?
456533।
यस उपासना,
हाँ
कृष्णा।
यस सर।
यस सर हर बात को कहते हो, वही कोई आंसर भी दे दो।
ठीक है सर।
चलो सागर।
यस सर।
यस सर। चलो
प्रैक्टिस
लास्ट,
नीडेड।
सर सर एक बार आप 27 का क्यूब बताइए क्या आएगा।
वो तो अभी किया ही कहाँ।
नहीं सर आपके पास आंसर हो तो मैंने किया था, इसके पहले कर रही थी मैं 3597।
27 का तो कराया ही कहाँ, 27 कौन सी कैटेगरी में आया?
27 का नहीं सर, 33।
33 का अभी तो किया।
33।
अच्छा 33 कर देते हैं, ये लो 3 तो 3 का कितना हुआ 27 27
27
27
27
27 कितना हुआ
या
54
454। यस 81 81। बस ये, हाँ ये मैंने किया था, मैं चेक करना चाह रही आंसर।
7
3
ये इधर आया तो 3 8 इधर
9
आया तो 9
5।
35।
यस राइट, गॉट इट सर। आगे।
लास्ट इन तीनों कैटेगरी से अलावा अब आपको फॉर्मूला याद करना पड़ेगा।
ओके
ए स्क्वायर बी, बी स्क्वायर ए, बी क्यूब। आप इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं, पहले ए क्यूब ले लीजिए, उससे मल्टीप्लाई, उसको बी से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाइए और ए कम करते जाइए, मतलब बी बाय ए से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, जैसे भी याद हो। इसमें ये थर्ड स्टेप है, अगर याद हो तो फोर्थ में हम क्या करते हैं, ट्वाइस लेते हैं। सो 2 ए स्क्वायर बी हम ऐड करेंगे, 2 बी स्क्वायर ए हम ऐड करेंगे। अगर टोटल देखें तो व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज द सेम फॉर्मूला जो हम अलजेब्रा में यूज करते थे। हम कैसे करते थे, a प्लस बी होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3ab। ए प्लस बी लिख देते थे, या तो ऐसे लिख लेते थे या ब्रैकेट खोल लेते थे। सो सेम इज द, बट ओनली डिफरेंस इज वैदिक मैथ्स में यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये पैटर्न नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए। अगर पैटर्न चेंज हो गया तो आपका बड़ा वो आंसर की वही गलत हो जाएगा। तो बैलेंसिंग लाइन ध्यान रखनी है। अब कैसे करेंगे सॉल्व, ये देखिए, यहाँ तक छोड़ देते हैं हम, सिर्फ इतना ही याद रखो। थर्ड स्टेप ये है। अब एग्जांपल लेते हैं 23, so that means a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3। इसमें कोई डाउट?
नो।
a क्यूब कितना हो जाएगा? 8। a स्क्वायर b कितना होगा? यस कुमुद, कृष्णा, a स्क्वायर b
12।
12। b स्क्वायर a
12,
कितना होगा?
12,
15।
3, 3, 9 into, हाँ 9,
और ये हो गया 27।
yes,
करेक्ट। फिर वही डबल कर दो, 24, 36, ऐड कर दो 27, 54, 36, 8, so 7, 6, 1, 12। आ गया आंसर। लिख लो ये, तो मैं सारे समझा देता।
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी,
सर अब अभी हमने है 23 का क्यूब निकला कि स्क्वायर?
क्यूब है, क्यूब सर ने गलती से स्क्वायर दिया।
हाँ ओके।
इसमें कोई डाउट है? पहले ये बताओ, फिर आई
नहीं।
क्लियर। अब देखो,
नहीं सर।
जो क्वेश्चंस थे अभी तक जो हमने किए, पहले 3 मेथड्स, अब उनको जरा साथ देख लेते हैं। क्या वो इनसे सॉल्व हो सकते थे? हो सकते थे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया 12, तो a क्या है? 1, b क्या है? 2, सो a क्यूब कितना हो गया? 1, a स्क्वायर b कितना हुआ? 2, b स्क्वायर a कितना हुआ? 4, b क्यूब कितना हुआ? 8। और हमने क्या कहा था कि फर्स्ट डिजिट एज इट इज, सेकंड डिजिट एज इट इज, सेकंड का स्क्वायर, सेकंड की क्यूब। हमने एक उसकी थ्योरी बना ली, सो दैट कभी भूले ना। फॉर्मूला याद रहता है बच्चों को, बट गेम खेलेंगे तो उन्हें और ज्यादा याद रहेगा। और उसके बाद का स्टेप फिर वही था, सेम। ऐसे ही सेकंड केस हमने किया 21। हमने क्या कहा? अच्छा, 2, इसमें a2 आ गया, तो a क्यूब कितना हुआ? 8, a स्क्वायर b कितना हुआ? 4, फिर b स्क्वायर a कितना हुआ? और ये 1। वहां पे हमने क्या कहा था? इधर से चल लो, 1 पहले लिखो, फिर 2 लिखो, फिर 4 लिखो, फिर पर्पस सेम। थर्ड हमने केस लिया 22। हमने कहा हर जगह उसका क्यूब लिख दो 2 का, तो आप चेक कर लो, एक, क्योंकि a भी 2 है, b भी 2 है, तो a क्यूब भी यही है, a स्क्वायर b भी वही होगा, b स्क्वायर a भी वही हुआ। तो अब ये सोचें कि पहले 3 मेथड करने की जरूरत ही क्या थी? लास्ट फॉर्मूला रट लेते। सब फॉर्मूला ही तो रट रट के बच्चे पहले भी नहीं कर पाए। जब तक क्लास इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं होगी, नहीं कर पाएंगे। गिव देम ऑप्शंस। ये ऑप्शंस है उनके लिए। अब क्वेश्चन आ रहा है 22 का और वो फॉर्मूले से कर रहे हैं, दे ऑलवेज मेक अ मिस्टेक। अगर वही सिंपल दिमाग में है कि सारी जगह 8 लिख दो, तो फिनिश। तो दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। क्लियर? एनी क्वेश्चन नाउ? Yes, Upasna. Any question regarding this?
नहीं सर, ये
Yes.
तो क्लियर है।
आज होमवर्क दूंगा, आज नोट्स साथ ही दे दूंगा, तो दैट आप करो, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं करोगे तो कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है। आप ही को नुकसान है, मुझे नहीं है ये बात। मैं 1 मिनट में अभी ट्रांसफर कर देता हूँ।
नहीं सर, आज करके भेज दूंगी आपको।
पता दैट इज वो ऑफ यू ओनली।
सर इसके मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रही थी कि सर क्वेश्चंस कहाँ पर है सर? मुझे मिला ही नहीं एक्चुअली।
आपने मैंने वो देखो, जब अनाउंसमेंट सेक्शन होता है या फीचर्ड, सबसे ऊपर ऊपर आ रहे हैं। नहीं, क्वेश्चंस तो साथ आपको मैंने उस पर दिए थे, व्हाट्सएप में नोट्स थे वहां पर। और नीचे स्क्रॉल करोगे तो सबने अपना होमवर्क वहीं सबमिट करता है। जब आप रेगुलर बैच में भी होगे, आप रोज का होमवर्क भी सबमिट करते रहोगे। आखिर चेक तो करना है ना होमवर्क, कि
सर क्वेश्चन
होमवर्क
मुझे दिया था सर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट्सएप पे तो नहीं था सर क्वेश्चन।
नहीं, अभी दिखा देता हूँ आपको स्क्रीनशॉट दोबारा।
मुझे
सबको
समझ
लिया
ही नहीं
गया?
आया, मैंने उसी को करके देखा जो किया हुआ था, अलग से मुझे क्वेश्चंस मिले नहीं, पर मैं सोची थी मैं आखिरी में पूछूंगी सर।
एक मिनट में मैं दिखा रहा हूँ।
कैसे
कुमुद,
निकाल?
कुमुद देखो, आपको 5:04 पे गया। हाउ डिड यू फाइंड डे 1 ऑफ वर्कशॉप? देखो आप ब्लू टिक हैं, ठीक है। सेकंड, होमवर्क, टेबल्स ऑफ 39, 49, 89, 129, चेक करो।
Yes, sir.
सर बैक जा सकते हैं सर इसमें से?
क्या कर सकते हैं?
मुझे थोड़ा सा मोबाइल का आइडिया कम एक्चुअली, देख लें
मोबाइल
सर
का?
2 मिनट।
We can.
मैंने आपको भेजा है, देखो।
वर्कशॉप ऑन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स, अच्छा ओके।
उसके बाद होमवर्क देखो ना।
होमवर्क,
अब नहीं था तो आपको भी चाहिए था पूछना, कुमुद। आपका
हाँ सर मैं
पेमेंट है।
इसमें एक बार, हाँ सर बिल्कुल सर, ये लिखा होमवर्क टेबल ऑफ 39, 49, 89, 129, 189, यस यस यस।
उसके नीचे 11 के भी लिखे हैं। अब जो कराया था उसी से
40, 76, 48 इतने
नोट्स,
सारे
मैंने नोट्स का भी लिंक दिया था कि यहाँ से नोट्स डाउनलोड करना।
किया सर। अभी मैं फर्स्ट डे और सेकंड डे दोनों का होमवर्क आपको कंप्लीट करके सेंड करती हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं, मैंने अब भी भेज दिया सबको, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन यू हैव, यू कैन आस्क। यस कृष्णा, कोई क्वेश्चन?
सर वेरी इफेक्टिव क्लासेस, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर।
रिव्यू देना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू गिव इट ऑन फेसबुक। कल दिया था मैंने लिंक और आज गूगल का दे दिया। देखो, जब तक आप शेयर नहीं करोगे लोगों को भी कैसे मालूम होगा? कल को आपको भी चाहिए,
बिल्कुल सर।
ठीक है।
नहीं सर, आपने मतलब 2 दिन की क्लास, कोई भी सर इतना 3 to 4 आवर्स नहीं पढ़ाता सर। फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने
एवरीबडी, लेट मी एक मिनट वीडियो ऑफ कर दूं मैं, सॉरी वो रिकॉर्डिंग